Yamu akwaba yamu achende Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no eso nwum no ana yede gege wo aba de du so no yentie se de ensem no te ewo ye maimo ne etodwo mu bi a wo beti ni se de mahama yarga ne majority leader yede ho nsem no ebebro na fe yakoye nsem foforo mu nanso wo mrahye bedwa fie mu ha aswafo mi ensam so waje won watum no ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV at 119, DSTV at 280. Woko YouTube Adom TV Tube, adomonline.com. Semi enu bebre so ewo ho media fia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni dem yentie se nsem chiremu etie. Make us say NDC majority in parliament. Won wa yen sakraye wo mpanimfu edi won no manimu no. Inti make us say sisi edi Boko Central Mahama Yariga wono na eye majority leader Adom TV kase etwaso.
Not perfect. Yet throughout my tenure, I endeavored to serve my party and the country with unwavering dedication. I acknowledge that in the line of duty, I may have unintentionally stepped on few toes. To those affected, I humbly seek your forgiveness. Please forgive me. Leadership, I believe, is not about perfection, but about the sincerity of purpose.
Edom kitwane ba no Daniel Alexander Fenyumaken ebo akandifo a wetwemu no abaso.
My senior at the bar, my respected colleague Mahama Ayariga. We served together in ECOWAS Parliament. You were very supportive. You've earned the respect of your colleagues in the sub-region. I know that you both consensus.
Edom kesiye ne ba no deni fofora wayi no kra Mahama Ayariga edis ansemi so etuja.
My main agenda in this house is to pursue the manifesto and program of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, a manifesto and a commitment that has received the overwhelming support and vote of Ghanaians.
Nani enramra so beja fie mu hono anso ya de sa ban asofo bi ense bi a wo pa wonom no ene parliament age wonom atomo Ahmed Ibrahim Ekwashe Trade and Industry so and Agribusiness. Elizabeth Ejare na Eshe Trade Industry and Agribusiness so na fe local government and so Ekwama Ahmed Ibrahim na fe Gender and Children Social Protection Ekwama Dr. Agnes Ma Momo na ene make us empenfo won watu ma nkwa kusai na fe wahye won dwumadi ase.
Enne Ghana mashebe fi ekọ asetena no enipa miense bia wono kopi appointment committee enima yetuto wona no ehwe se wono mo sefata se yede aswafo dibre no ehwe wonsa no yade se wono mo age nipa miensa atomo enipa miensa wondin ene Ahmed Ibrahim na wono kwakohwe local government eso sanso so ena Elizabeth Ejare akwakohwe Trade Industry and Agribusiness ena afi Agnes na Momulati ono so kwakohwe Gender Children and Social Protection eso.
Enra Supreme Court ekwa setena na wo mukotie constituencies ben na ya menteme ho ase akoso mu a High Court ehye Electoral Commission say wonye declaration no ne ade no enra wo no mo ekọ ho nsam ne yedidia mane akwatia bato mpesua no eso menteme ho ase bi ye no so wo ewura na skumi ne mrahye bedwa akonwa no eho no court no yetu ede ahyeda ne de NDC Fonso edekoye no yetu asheda kase no etwasui.
Akwatia mo ya na no 31 December last year and former MP NDC ni no ko file petition adetia Eurakumi say o challenge election results no. Na at that time o ye no court no sama as party injunction edetia kumi court na emontungu isan say at the time na omo file petition no na emene nso so be file petition no because na isi no enye gazette no na sela no court na anti ase enti aba court Supreme Court say court no entwem because at the time on file petition no sa bre no na isi for enye gazette for isi for no ye no on the 6th of January 2025 in Sabra is a gazette in the year. But we say, Tama, we are petition in an order mine and order in an it's a court of Montungu. It's near Supreme Court.
President Wanoda Institution of Engineering and Technology Ghana no ye engineer Harry Kwajobuatin or the to abino and him se one san biemu se roto no se bapa dia one more and shushomo and ye niema no kwade ni prepare ebeye juma.
The Honorable Abuja any finance minister omo weti no ka say rotos no ebebe biemu and no chere say aban no en hihye Ohwe rotos no sane etie sese ya na ne gigi no madwen no enye fe se ohwe a the traffic eba ena nipa na omutwa to no trucks na etwa to no omo ahoyehia omokom ewe kwan a omo faso ansa na makotwa to no enye fe se be ya nka to no omunye no bia oyusu ka bia entua bi ansa na wo road worthy ye be ya ma no almost set up table ebi a DVL na table ye set to for na physically challenge for na de omuye ni ya PB akotra wo na omu bia entua bi madwen mu no se de be ya eto no be ba fam obiti cantonment untwato otinop kaneshi untwato road nso ya asphalt ni ono ne kwanya obedi traffic ma akoya ino no akotwa to I think say unfair and yanhwe na ye proposal na ide aba no so aban no fe nkwa dwendwen mu
Manteaw so na pani ba ko a woka civil society organizations ho ye Steve Manteaw or it one penny John Dramani Mahama animo se emre no so pa se na nanom a wontena ho ye nhwe han ma ye de won sase to galamsey se nsuo ne kwaye breakthrough no o se atwe so
mpanyimfo a wa ben mu ne nananem ahemfo a wo de wo ho agye mu bi ye nyina ye beka ya se otekoko so na Asante hene NIB before edin sa wo so mo ye nhwehwemu ama ne be dedi se ahemfo miense bi na wo de wo fore galamsey ama otumfo egina saa yi no so editu ahemfo no nkane pape mu a saa ahemfo na yenya evidence ti a wo mo se wo mo etu galamsey anasa wo mo tie galamsey chi no sanka ye che wo mu nyina na edom ko gina asem dibre na yedi wo mo asem na edom kwatwere mu a ahemfo a wo mo nso no etu galamsey ni bia anasa wo mo tie chire no wo mo nyina be gina yie nti no ye ko ni me adesrede na de ma o mampanyini ma oni ehwamo omomodin na bosha o hye yen ebra na omo opposition no ena atumi abedi ni nsa no ode be yedwuma na Ghana fo nyina enya ho mfaso
Electoral Commission na sese won dia betu dwano se February bosome no de etoso duba akọ ombehwe na afe regional representatives ewo Council of State no wapa won mo ho entuma
Electoral Commission e de abetu dwa se omanfo a womo omaya hoboa womo pese omanfo eto ono so aba ema womo eko Council of State safo no enya hoboa womo ekira sa na montuei okọ eye oman constitution mu a paragraph C clause 2 article 89 elections ibe koso eye February bosome no de toso du baako afi 2025 ewo mantema hodo ninam jumekuo no ekira womanfo a womo epese omanfo eto omuso aba no eye candidate Enfa womo nomination forms enko nebra womo de ama womo no eye January bosume no 28 ede ko January 31st
Manya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pe ye de siase da na ye odia emre ne adaje wadaroma ye kwa bade de obonkrata no ne online de atoso twenye Eda sibiem samu akwa abaye Adom TV Badwam na o hye no news no na ye ko GCC a ye wi a ye ba beto so de bonkrata no tie mu ache emu akwa ba eda rade ase ohwefo awawe ya na jude siemu abepem sabri no odo beko na odo waba asumdwem ye mu ache incoming menchia we
mi Joseph
e bia boko de
boko na nso e
nyankopon adom bia boko
ya me ase Debi ase ka aka nso ye koye ni mu ansa. Na 24.
Na 24.
Okay, aka na fo nsia. and if once on our pepe. Na busumi akona wie na say. Sir, please for the market yaba. Please for the
aba adwuma ifo na.
Please for.
Omumpe.
Omuna me name so market yaba. I think say this week I say. I think this week. And the market yaba.
Ni omudem.
Omedi ewie ntem.
Omudem. Yes. Phone lines nana. So I sure mama no pay be phone lines in it too. The NTA wo mo ya na.
Be too.
0302211701 702703704 0302211701 But of so bray na watch no wie ye mu nie bray. Nti say na watch no ekoye de na wo hwe animu.
Okay, see, the work at a daily graphic. As I'm according, I was say Agbogbo should reclaim land under sea. Scrap dealers, onion sellers occupy 80-acre land. Okay. Agbogbo should as see there. If you have some more,
some more.
Be.
They say, "Oh my class, no."
My class, so much I say about strategy senses so.
When I say about.
Are you the phone? Any money has
now buy 1 year here also.
I buy Momo 1 million Ghana cedis.
I just 1 year here was as
for now, say OPC ultra modern market. But say baby, and now you're phone stone here, say. You be see we have a Daniama party for any one on some will be. The NL more a fear. But I think see KGT market, ye name way. I bet who saw your face when we are, and me after you for the doom, or your face too. Let me up a kibble. Na I hope say be see we nso ne metin sensem say ene ye intera shop na akotena ye nto ade di se kotena kwa yes
say we dey mpanifo nsimu ntam ansa na agency mu we dey so mu nu ba bia
Madrid nim Madrid we dey we am so for picture we ntam
old picture
Madrid nim pa na Madrid na so ye nwia so I ask myself say ye fight dey because you we say eje tomua e be she pra nti we dey yes I for pe be dey but nso nche se be ye fan tempe enko ya de be wi che be sa akwa koni ho asomai
odo ye nya obi wo so nti e fa no me do fo no pe mu ache mu akwaba
ya me aso en kan
ya da se be me na ye ntie we
e fa no de sheba na ebo nsu
jo
na me ni mo ya adwene I'm champion for na kantinka na ame jina secretary Jamaica na say e ka me nko a nnuanu asenti emfanto nanka concrete usen ko say you bi ejeto mu a ya na e de kakra nnuanu ya no na enu mom so ya hwe ne bienu ebi o ho so a ukosinu concrete ya ba Jeffrey yemi ono musamu eno ni asem no
mo ka
eno ni asem no be before na nkasa no ya na mintimi sabi ya na we team pesani kubinya ni party se ni ya pa na wa say so sin concrete we say pe obaji afri o musam wona na yire ekwa ko buada ti me president wa bai on fa na system na sadi ne bi sibio afi bi egashi aro fon roche ye mu bi nyame adom ye opportunity ko UK. Yes, I'm a hot year. A guy to be bigger African, especially Ghana. Kumasia and can say, I think I couldn't touch my edu baby. And consider bay. And soon nothing so or more, yeah, or more day to pot a good German. Yes, so for yes, the committee be.
Yeah, that's it. Now was I would be a Chabacanina. I buy no, also I buy a year. Or taxi and I say fire for no one can take you upon themselves. More call market to market co station or and you many teach you say so be a will be a would jabby near dear hands. I don't know per se and sustain them and war.
If you may, I think so say ye kitchen Emma maybe be as if I will robia your kitchen one moment to say because a dreadful now can want some son if you jail more. Because no be a subi de si baby.
Anti America says say yes say fire for no or more or more station ho. Oh, I say almost start a cry. We no counterman to the any see you know. Tell no near one pay say be wo and ye day wonder as ye any kakra ni any free show. Now is will be at here podana and wo ho. Nti after 6 wo ma pon no ya patrol ho ahwe ho se bibia ye kama me I think say no you okay I bet me aboa in as much as say we mo dum jafo ho ye wo adwuma no ya nso ya ye di dwa no kono wonu aduane nkwan akese eso bia bia wo no aduane ho no ye ma ye ton wo ho ni gya no emfa ti esre mo ni die mu a adoso we kwa wo de kwhye hwan
we mattress na ye soja
ye soja
be a ton mattress ye soja
ti gya ni toba akumu a wo kwose sei ti de esre mo esre pa na ade a wo de years a build ya just 1 or 2 hours na ni nyina kosa no no den ya na me hunu hawa mutimi recover sa because shale hey 20,000 30,000 50,000 sikana ko nti we die ye kan mamu ma na me ye as a ritual die bi as afi bia as na esi ya ye too much afi bia chese na mo bi prophecy bi abamu anya fe anya we ntina ho kra mo bi me hye ho nkom yanya kwasi ni afie ni kwame ni ye nyina ye asede a
aban so obayi a onye na adwadefo ni si enim se enye obia na wosika ye wi a
okay
because ye wi a se sin se kejeti a ne bo bekoso but it's also nhye bi to won mama adwadefo na nkasa timi on bi no atwa ne kakra because obi a watena wo di dwa ba 20 years
dia atete ne mako
so we enye sika bi a 30,000 120,000 amfa anye shop for 5 years na kasa wo die fini nsem a ebe ye den ya maybe bi e ma ne kwan kakra so okay hwe kakra fatu ase na dia kan hwe ne kakra
do kwado mbe ye ne ntem kura
so ene momudi ya no afia momudi ya nti sabanka so oyo mafiro a na me mpre no abam pa so nya hotoso ne awrehemu se we ne maka ya hwe me dia to wonom ye mama mre be sese na me betwia me de nti time ye di reconstruction ya no ahya ase kura boabo no kakra edisi se na be ye bre meduru no ni twia no so kwa edi bebre
efa man betimi abamo 0302211701702703 704 for headline bra na yenti
Parliament approved 6 more ministerial nominees since edumienu eko mampani aso e ensia ye omudi kan ebaaye ensia fro abanso ye hwenim se bi enne mampani John Dramani mama enso beso amonso into office.
Okay, obi abaso.
Okay.
Me da fono pe mu ache mu akwaba.
Ya me di odo.
Merci na bibia boko.
Nyanko pandum bibia boko.
E da se oba yentie we.
Yo me pa cho, me so me kasafa. E jana mo kafa o mo soja wo. Nyanko pandum bibia boko. Yo me pa cho, me so me kasafa. E jana mo kafa oh my soldier war inside no but e bin so ye inside that store ni inside and kasa light e bi mo ha no mo jo mo light esi so enti se hit ni bossa na eno so tumi de eja no eba enti se bo ka na ma kama o mo jo mo light esi so inside store ni inside no eno so tumi de eja ba pa we na wa se ne ma na aka o bia ni fine kra enti fine ni bo hit sa na toba eno so tumi de ejaba madam ase momoni aduma that's
it is that se pa merci de na aka no so ye no kure
yeah
once have light na si so kure etimi ye sheet enti depending on nema ye ton wo mu
even depending on the bulb no kura e bi can use onion onion se bo hit pa je ko no
ti mumma mumye nyina hwe ne ayi wiring no so ne ade onko fa ni papa certify ayi electrician nipa bi ono onze nipa bi o by nature no mo ya de fechire oya na afa uhan say ono an yes adwuma because of no ko fi o bi o de be man wo ti yesra ni die mu a mumye nyina ya nya ne ye sefata ye ne sa ja hihie ne be brase because ya na ya so obi ni da ho nti o se den ti na akofra obi a yesre mumye nyina hwe hu ye pese enko
Mama Yariga takes over as majority leader he say boko mrashe dwani oni apa ne se boko central mrashe dwani oni apa ne se dom kese mrashe dwa film no oni ban dani se atofo sen call finance minister daily statement ensu enie
2 pm so
2 pm aba
2 pm no pay mu ache mu akwaba
eje oso minu aba papa bi
ya da se wada ma yentie we
Na mpacho mo ho ye de.
Ami Adom ye ho ye pa.
Hey, bra kwasi Kumasi mayo. Mini aba so yamao they say Attorney General why
na no say dey am obi dada na say dey be man.
Oh metimi am ya your deputy we say me papa ba
na say ye twen
na 2 p.m. aso mo asante mo point there mesere baby and this original chairman na kwesi obi am me chia na regional minister ye you know Honorable Dr. Frank Amwako Hene we say Tuesday na anniversary no Oma postpone and I am so on Tuesday. The Bible eternity. Actually, 2 p.m. they be ame come out same way, and I read them cry. Yes, say fire is a good servant, but a bad master. Yeah, best say a pebre mo ayewura no. E jahwehwe no ye nhwe ye. Mini aba de be ame ka ho. Omo konwuram sabi o ekonom joto ne sa na ema no. Wo de he koko asi o. E bi asabi wa ko tena wa ko ja na owi ya na o ja ayina to. Emura na wo ho ni nyina so ayedai awo etinye jahwehwe ye bi na de beba ye besere tin America no say fire is a good servant but a bad master ye nhwe ye pa wo bibia ye mu yankopon won hira mpa na me ni Mr. Tum so aka say makatua no mo de mo be hu January increment beba
ye da se papa Mahama so wo so me do for no pay mo ache mo akwaba
morning. Now what say?
Nyame Adom Ibrahim Mahama na.
Hello.
Hello.
Now yeah.
Nyankopo Adom Ibrahim Mahama ni.
Bako.
Yentie we.
Yep. Pacho.
Oh. Papa ti enka.
I'm running now.
Mana antum fache pa abise yenko yemfa course ni si na kwesi mfa
enti daily statement so any MPP engage stakeholders on 2024 elections defeat enti ekwan MPP fa so edi entwe no bayoko no ahwe onwuma si a otiti amanfo ano asem NDC thugs attack GRA protest against new commissioner general TSC NDC etitafo miso agbawura GRA se penna man peni bondi so ko GRA no omso mo huru adwumaso bi oyema party no
na obi na abehu asemu
party etitafo omonti aseda ti be ma kwan se ya bo sa kwesi aga
yiri de ne yi no
now party mu o de say now tari posters if you be sick and dey print you
ne ja no ezo obi na abehu so odi akire
oh because now na mo a free radio so tari posters you be say o na ye adwuma
ebi mu sha akire
poster no fi so ko what you go free printouts dey buy any t-shirt na na show you say oh who are the free printouts na buy obi ka dey tell chiri tell me cause a part no journey enema mienu either so be gina wiem ana be gina days ni so two journey political party be a facade ni two team e ye wiem gina ana mo bi gina apata shade was ase
to obi am
two person gina baby ya prepare who towards that. Peso ojina baby dia patana se a prepare who towards apatana se so ka ho.
No kura mfa no better.
Yes, apatana se ka ho. It is so we hunu se obi enam yes adede no ebi. We hunu so obi di demonstration mu a. Demonstration na mo ko no obi sika na de tonsu.
O ne kwan o no fa so aye ne campaign.
Obi sika na de tonsu, obi sika na de kofa aka. Ya okunya kofro ya na de demonstration. Te mo adwenye o se omo no mo na mawia ne so ngwa na ye.
Adwuma no.
Ka adwuma no.
Tu ba do online.com so a GJ so clarity. Say ye information ministry no every one mo hia nchire mu. Tu ba do online.com na ebo animu hey. Ora fanyo marking so na de to ayare gadim say government business or suffer if no ubie wadom online.com a obetimi ehu akenkan difa gomashi or pariado emiliata eni adwon atomo no ti adom online.com nsemu eni bebre so ewo ho a obetimi akenkan akasi ya wie eti yakoya rekese du body body agudie mo nsem na to so health tips na watchi mu nyina ya kasafa ectopic pregnancy ho ne wadaro makan ho ne tie final one no na what take a decision entem we are sister Sunday be or your guy or the house penny be bank come back me nu be biem na fe asemidi kan ba na pensem mu ato so eno ne bedwam cause am afidie ne na ha ye da say
right, fantastic morning. Yamwachi Mwakwaba. Emraso say yɛde agodi mu nsɛm to aso sɛ Badwam wo kansie nsɛm no dɔso deɛ sɛ fata sɛ ɔte ne akye ne kufu de basa no no kete wesi nya do wura bia na ɛyɛ Franco Trading Enterprise na de yɛsi akɔnkɔn yɛde nsɛm no bro Franco de bia ɛbɔ ne mmane sɛ phone papa fie sɛ ɔtɔn washing machine sɛ ɔtɔn blender sɛ ɔtɔn TV sɛ ɔtɔn fridge ɔtɔn bibia bia wasante so ɛde ama Franco Trading Enterprise CCTV camera no crofo agye atomo bia agye atomo afia no kra na ye use eti wo ye rough a ye be che osisi a ti se afia sa bia discipline so anya se bia control kwakra mo ana mo ye mo yi nti yi ni kakra bia na mo ye yem ho yi da bi nyina obi antumi nya bi ofia ko ye pa ye be hu ti se afia sa obi a twam no okode ba bi because okodu ba bi a ma ne me ma wa ensem pi e ma ne me ma ensem pi ti me ware me yi ba ko ware wie ye pe so obi antimi nyi obi anware ofia biom ko untimi ni obi ani nkomo a na akwakofa go epon so obi ekọ ne fie CCTV camera na sharp de obeka kire obi kra ibi ebe hu so Franco CCTV no na meka mfo de ma na pay 40% discount na ekoso yakọ animu ano meka ho asem na me de akyerɛ ma bɔ wɔn number no so ma from tempa so no ma di ensa so ye mu akwa ba Bernard Padi bo twa me producer kejo na kasa ne Eric Asiru bo de be hya se de afi the UEFA Europa League and the Conference League on some kakra so hono manra matches ahodo ekọ so Manchester United last minute Bruno Fernandes bottom mo mutimi nya that winner then of course I ask Okoluzuye and I think so no Fenerbahce train draw and only other results ekọ so ewo emu no ye monwura mu ye mfa kakra mro right and you know the so in the Europa League and Okopimo Leipzig in the Champions League omo boy about the Europa League and so on. Semeza Takma ball Roma by a goal to nil. Bodo Glimt ball Maccabi Tel Aviv by 3-1. FC Porto, Olympiacos Bono 1-0. Fenerbahce Lyon ball 0-0. Hoffenheim, Tottenham ball 3-2. Sane Ohun Mamo FF, FC 20 ball 3-2. Kalabagagban. And so Titifie Luzuya Victoria Pleasant, Erini Tony Lovan, Knowledge, and Eintracht Frankfurt ball for Voros is 2-0. Elfsborg winning 1-0 over Nice, and I feel so Lazio winning 3-1 over Real Sociedad. Ludogorets, and so Ejani Naisho, Tete Hosa Ama Midland, Ebeborn, come you know I want to be anti Sansona, Manchester United, so Ejani Naisho, Medica Mwashe, Ewini Nediana. I asked Koluzuya, St. Galawa, Bo FC Braga by 2-1. Way. And it's any results we see call ya they want some brew live or Badwam ago can see so na yemfi Europa League they want some nankowe and some four friends we also and akopie this weekend match would be basso in EPL La Liga Italian Serie A Bundesliga and the likes yankowe and fixtures to city and was not down for us a quite way to Bournemouth this game about the 3 p.m. Saturday sunset Bournemouth our form not down for us or form both teams to score soon. Brighton over Badwam and Everton and Ebo. Brighton over Badwam to score. Liverpool and Ipswich Town. Liverpool both ye. You know the Ipswich Town between Ipswich stubborn pa go back one in name or Vima kwa Ipswich Town to score. Southampton and Newcastle United. Southampton obi a Shenibi and you want to say Newcastle but kunya or we not draw Newcastle. Wolves and Arsenal. Wolves Wolfa pie Arsenal Peliga Jineniabre Arsenal we not draw. Manchester City Chelsea. Game here soon. Both teams to score soon on Manchester. And you teams say yes, Manchester City versus Chelsea. Crystal Palace Brentford to score. Not Nottingham Forest, Tottenham Hotspur and then Leicester City. So they are born in Tottenham win or draw. Aston Villa West Ham United, Aston Villa Bofier, Aston Villa win or draw. Fulham Manchester United, Manchester quite way to Fulham Manchester win or draw. We EPL. Now Yanko share La Liga, Las Palmas, Osasuna, Mallorca, Real Betis, Atletico de Madrid, Villarreal, Sevilla, Espanyol, Real Valladolid, Real Madrid, straight win Real Madrid. Soon 8 p.m. on Saturday, Sunday, Vallecano, Girona, Real Sociedad, Getafe, Athletic Club Bilbao, Tenerife against Leganes. Leganes is the Vim Neba, Nano Atletico Madrid, the Palma, and he will say yes, BBO. Now Barcelona and Valencia and Barca would love to bounce back. Straight win for Barcelona. We Spain. Now you're already Italy. So Torino, Cagliari, Como and Atalanta. Como very stubborn team over 1.5 vision. And Napoli, Juventus. We not draw Napoli. Empoli, Bologna. Na Quasieda AC Milan, Parma. Milan we not draw. Nano Koluzuye. Early kickoff on Sunday. Bebobe 12 no bia hun last. You didn't and so Roma and a Boni and Roma ko Europe. akotwe afa ne bo so be so be make amends against Udinese. Lecce Inter Milan straight win Inter Milan. Now Lazio and Fiorentina both teams to score and now over 1.5 over 2.5 for soon Italy in Bundesliga, that is Germany. Yanko Germany Wolfsburg and Holstein Kiel started yesterday papa Holstein Kiel to score and now both teams to score. Augsburg and Heidenheim, Borussia Dortmund, Werder Bremen, German. And Werder Bremen to score, and now both teams to score. I'm a Pamon coach, Dortmund a Pamon coach. No resign coach. Players need to be more homeless so there, but both teams to score about over 1.5 about Werder Bremen to score about. Freiburg and Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich quite way to Freiburg and Bayern for country from Europe into how much last be good Freiburg so over 2.5. Mainz near Stuttgart. Leipzig, Leverkusen, both teams to score over 1.5 for soon, over 2.5 for soon. Borussia Mönchengladbach, Bochum. And I think we see the Hoffenheim, Eintracht Frankfurt, and St. Pauli, Union Berlin. Yeah, na Bundesliga and Unstrak over 1.5. How goes to soon? Over 1.5. Nina over 1.5. Now they know what to change, baby. Now if you want to be account, so what I say, come pa, now you feel not young correct and some full from more. You call the new sports and recreation minister na Shannon Son say a Franco Trading Enterprise and yes ya konkwede some no ade bro. Now Oracle Adom na boni din sports and recreation minister. You say you be confirm na bibia so atimi akoyi wo say the all baba ye ne say one Ministry of Education be kan bom na get fund sika no atimi aboa e de ahwe na school sports atimi afa to mapafra.
I know there's been malnourished and funding in the sports industry, maybe except one area, said Black Stars. All others don't get the funding. So I've been thinking about how to get reliable, stable funding sources for all other sports, whilst we still do something for Black Stars because it is the big thing. Whether we like it or not, that remains the big thing. So it must get its fair share of the funding. But even for that one to succeed very well in terms of long to medium term objective, we need to go back also to the grassroots sports. In terms of even the academicals and what have you, the inter-schools that we use, the school sports, we need to begin to look at it. And I will be sitting with my colleague, Minister for Education, once I get confirmed, for us to see even how we can reintroduce school sports and get the sports ministry to run school sports, whilst GES continue to teach the physical education as a subject in the classroom. But in terms of school sports, organizing it, the sports ministry can take up that responsibility. And we will engage and see how funding, when the GET fund is decapped, how a portion of the GET fund can be allocated into the sports fund.
Kofi Adams and Honorable Astate Kasaide. Well, Kasatin top onko, it's a show working. How and Yamabesi Ako. Yeah. You feel in copy more Gaka elections, and then right now, some Ketua, Honorable Wari. Ebiare ebiswari ni ra John Ansa ana yeto abani we no wa boaze kumsin fun from gap ne so yankwesa na results no na omo wini ne de no esi ekoye na screen was 96 votes as against 35 or mesaze kumsin report eri wow Phyllis Marcook Monka vice chairman wawini over Nana Mankwa, votes in the Dason, Gabriel Godwin, 23 votes, as against as a Gaspar RFE rep, and a Premier League reps, Inko Joseph, Yanini interviewer, or Boom 26 votes, and or the Enyaya, we need a Gaka elections, no, I see a quite interesting, very interesting. As a now, we didn't know from almost some bit me dino. Na AD, near the idea, na Chasano said and some so a see it here, right, Jonathan. The newly elected chairman of GACA. Ninsamni.
In a omo football, especially team raffle. I see your government that you know a figure ended. See it to me come up and say I'm Britain, that boy, yes, sir. You be a Becabiano, and co. The best fair to say, Lincoln, you can be near the mechanic as will be I. mpɛsɛ mɛyɛ saa adwene no mɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ nyɛ TS ko table wɔ so no obiara bɛka n'adwene obiara bɛka n'adwene deɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛboa association no bɛkɔ n'anim ɛne yɛsɛ yɛde yɛ adwuma ɛno bɛtumi ahyɛ bɔ paa ka kyerɛ nnuanom ne mu a wɔwɔ football ne nsɛntwerɛfo nyinaa sɛ biribiara a yɛbɛka wɔ exco sɛ yɛn nyinaa na yɛagye ato nti yɛkɔ abɔnten a ɛyɛ kasa baako ɛnyɛ kasa yɛ different nti yɛsure sɛ yɛhyehyɛ a yɛbɛyɛ no bebree bɛba bɛ.
Right, and so we and near Jonathan the Tudra or Chimu Naniswadi Huna or the back Gaka. The Ghanaian Premier League is back after a short break, and to transfer window will be at Tony Dear has of folk two signings. Yes, it was Abidra. But the entrance and officials in city this weekend. Akala Lions me dear me watching at 3 p.m. on the Wafa Park, so go now. Kwasieda Sante Kotoko Karela, Bashake Holy Stars at Trefini as of Fokabo at the Camp Park. Between United Nation FC, Young Apostles and Swaterman, Brekum Chelsea Vision, Heart of Lions, Adriana Stars, FC Samates, Dreams FC, Legon City's Gold Stars, or University of Ghana Stadium, way at the Ghanaian Premier League match day 18. This is how you buni koff. Near saying the trouble to Ashe Kaiser Bashake Holy Stars and a share house of folk. Yes, this is in Asana na pa. The as for better so better no. Yen ha se betumi afa na se mfa. Sabre de yemi kwam. Franco Trading Enterprise Adama. Songo Steak is up next, my man. Mr. Patrick Osajaman, countryman Songo. Joining me on the line. Na yade Songo Steak aba. Mr. Ajaman, Otemenka. Fantastic morning, yemo akwaba.
Yeah, fantastic morning, Bibi Amako.
Hello, Mr. Ajaman.
I'm Otemenka.
So I'm struggling to hear Mr. Ajaman. Na me tenenka, me sa me tenenka. Mr. Ajaman, fantastic. My many umi no announce we has said this year ye release yen first single title no ye mini jano.
Yeah.
Title no ye mini jano. Yeah, you better be I know right. No, ever. I'm for anticipate a top reggae song. You're launching show beyond the best starting.
Yeah, mini jano.
Yes.
Mini jano.
As soon.
The fire one.
My goodness.
Yeah. Fantastic music. Baby, when you want to break
I best say baby. Mini jano.
More fire. Fantastic. And then was Stoneball Steak.
Yeah.
I had to say a pop daddy because I call all the shots. So Dr. Randy Abbey is calling all the shots. On that. Oh yeah, a NDCD champion man. Is he go board? A director, and I say Omo Penny. Eti one President Muhammad ni halene resa. Eti he's calling up all the shots, the big shots. Your football. GFA confirm Utuado, and I said GFA say Blasters coach Utuado no. Ongusuntena was Blasters coach. It's because GFA is incompetent, and now coaching is incompetent. So, GFA for Omu name say Ghana Hano. Oma say football will be any so incompetent. Left to us alone. Senya sa Omu and association about war. But left to say Ghanaians and Omu said they are gone. Ghana for a day, a human feel as GFA because they are failures. And we incompetent. But just because women have the chance, so women could have football, no, extra national teams in Somalia. So, Bibiania also need a Ghana for a been football no, through a sports ministry. But they don't do it this way because there's a big man who is calling all the shots now. That is when the army. because when they have been a Manteaw fin was say GFA is keeping a year Utuado Blasters coach now, or incompetent. No? And Randy Abbey, as soon as chairman of a Blasters management committee. So he's calling all the shots. You understand? Yeah. If the GFA say, yeah, keep you Utuado as Blasters coach. Omo winning or mine home Ghanaians. See a person and Ghana for what let's do play coach in Yadia. Ghana for what let's say coach in Yadia. But Omatimian classic, I day GFA follow. After Randy Abbey as management committee chairman, and you go for can home. I'm no one to me start taking decisions. Say, Otuado and now as Blasters coach, near Famo World Cup qualifier matches. No, quarter AFCON qualifier. And yes, Bia, the first attempt in year with Blasters, Nayaka Bia, or I need it, and the second attempt to be the first attempt to World Cup, Qatar, and Ofeli Puto. Then, Marco for coach number, the second attempt, AFCON qualify African Cup to a year, Morocco, December year about 2025. Ghana ye out, Ghana we put Ghana shall match back. With countries like Angola, Niger, and Sudan, these same countries are close playing football like these same countries. And yes, our baby share World Cup qualify. And quota one team share single match. Tana Ghana money.
Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo. Well, countryman Songo line on a chichi kakrani ade eguso hwe se very connected na ya sande na baso Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie ni ho Franco fork en ho ne nsam na bro Franco se nye phone pen na Franco ton Franco ton microwave Franco ton CCTV cameras Franco ton fridge Franco ton TV. Yes, and TV no 32 inches, go see 100 inches. That is Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, bobo phone no de bobo phone no. But phone Franco and akwambia so no. Wamo eken hwa bring na no yade bibia bro kama pa na 40% discount. And a Franco de ma 40% discount. 40% discount and I bring now no wait to menya Franco honomo Franco Trading Enterprise about 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 and 0302 225651 Franco Trading app on our Play Store and our App Store. Wait me download the hormone na kwambia so bia tima ko francotrading.com website abet me no madin sa so na kwambia so bring na no bibia ho ya bia no omatimi asorto out. Now yeguso hwese ke betumi anya Mr. Patrick Osageman countryman Songo on the line na nka ya san to aso Songo sticking so but masa agegwo ane ade ati ebegina so na ye de si Bernard Padibo trainer me producer kejwana kasani Eric asiedu bwadi sabre na ko efie dai de woni tua yare apomuri onsam wo kakra yepa Sister Sunday be a guy so the entertainment kakra so aso yes fananka saka kejwana ko so hebedwam
Memo akwa Adom TV Badwam health tips so na ochi mu nyina Dr. Edubuate amboa ye ectopic pregnancy ene yedi hu nkomo ebi enne ene de dikansi ye asemu mi peti woni problem be obebo ni nyina to fund ya maye na fe ne no ya hwe prevention ni treatment ne mo aka ye ho say juada de kosi fiada 5 minutes bia no ye accommodate semba kosi ho ne yedi hu enkomo nti na ochi ye kasafa ectopic pregnancy hu Bora endpoint for me party clinic yare bia de wo ka ho asemi e che so wo ho emoa ti no afre no dog ye na se na ochi mu wadaro ma boni nyina atofa na afa ne ye treatment ene prevention ana
meda se pa ya ka se ectopic pregnancy a na ye oba a wanyemo na test bi a che so wanyem ne ma oba check na wodi na akora ne na wodi na akora no akoto any other place other than na wodi no usually ne anakoto fallopian tubes nim and am say fallopian tube nim so no ente se awode no a expanding into no mo se na kofa emergency condition aba anase etimi ma ne tubes no kra timi pai na kofa internal bleeding etimi yam wura sure ba na nko hospital ntoma a otimi e wo kwan so ene ne kana sa na ye kire mu say the difference between a topic and miscarriage and say miscarriage oba a wanye mo na asai akra na anyini anuru ayi no na nye se oba na asai no na akra no asai ene kana say miscarriage no na ye kire causes e kire mu say normal cover ba na age so oba by virtue of 35 years 40 years 45 ubetimi awo na emum that time no na ma tanya sa condition and into obi otisa no oba hospital before obanyem no na yatimi ahwe aboa ansa na obanyem awanyem oba awanya bibi afense PID bomodin say ya wako hospital na so PID a treatment free or pelvic inflammatory disease free ho ansa na obanyem awanyem mpemebiri no ana no so kwatimi cause inflammation e wo ba wodi mtimi cause blockage e wo ba the fallopian tubes in so oba wo STI nso gu wasekekaw ene so infections and when treating in term and so timi kofaba and na the yesa kan no so say oba bi wo a na yesa ka signs and symptoms actually mu say the betima mo hu say bi a wo betima nya bi no ene say oba empe bi a unu be machia ni nso ni na asa na chi ana oba akọ hospital ni a kire wo say wo blockage of fallopian tubes eno no ya de e wo ho a kire say ana so oba wo irregular menses before obanyem no ana so unu be machia ni nso ni na asa na chi oni be manchia ni nso nyina ese na chi ni nyina no anase wunya irregular menses omoja ne ba kitikiti bi tuntun it could be say wo be check wa wo dey ma check wo fallopian tube no na bia blockage ewom no betime de sa wo ye ne na aba nene no wo se ye bedi nkomo ye ni nkomo fa kwanya enipa ne betimi a prevent na ye betime treat se before oba bia obanyem no kia na nka ye peni yi a ye betu na mako hospital te say the end point ye free scanning inti nonka oba hospital ha oba da ho na within be 20 less than 10 minutes you twa scan wa wo yenu nyina ahwese wo yi okay ana say wo nye okay na yiwi a ye labs na aba endpoint ya obetu ya yiwi na bibia ni wa ye se go kona de eni wukunu nkonkonya na mo bibi ho ani ahwe ne atu ase afiri ho so eno no ya ade a itimi bo akese pa na mo no se anya ne saa ne ya nma ye na nyinti ntia wo hospital na se bi o PID ya hwa ntu ase ye wo infections na ya fa ne se ebia white bi na menya eno na wan hwi ya didimu a na akwakofa saa wo ye ni aba e man bi wo kra no ma omunya ectopic pregnancy a they don't survive it e bitimi wu asa chese nta no so but e bi omunya no e bi mutimi wu kra as a result of that because unya internal bleeding because fallopian tube ni mu no enye ho ena akola ho so onyini wo hwe te se awode a oba bia wo je te se balu enti akola betomu a mo za akola ba wo akola bi akola no se no tie ni ebu sa se no da hin akola hwe ni ti nko akora ademu eso akola ni titimi da ba bi da wodi anim e ma oba no timi koso de kwa adwuma ba flexible sa de yakopon abo oba timi nyem na wanyem ntafo ba 9 or more quadruplet twins ni nyina wodi na mom se ba akopɛ de koto outside awode no a e the complication beba end point to me part clinic you say ectopic pregnancy miscarriage ya hwani ntu ase ekura ya na emma no mental depression me cover depression ba oba bi wa no wa power sa na kofa sa wa di wi aba etimi kura no etimi ma awo no kwatimi titi free ni pada so etimi sere wa wo yo ba take advantage of end point ye free scan and no aye no brade be ye bi wo ye be ma so a wo ba so afa wo kunu bra no me check ni prostate no yes wo jonso abema mu ye wo ya emu hihye wo jonso ani mu apam bi ni so fita bi be menu ba wa ya se ye wo ya wo jonso ntentem end point se bra stroke ya de waist pains ya de bi ha wo bia frɛ number yi so number ni ye 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68.
Yeah, that's it.
Dr.
Dubois, endpoint homeopathic clinic, Kofari by Nadaroma, Najumedi to me the brower. Now 3 months or man, Hokwan betray ya dear if ectopic pregnancy home. Inti ebima will show dear, Nenso said the Casa Okaya. Ansa na Benjamin on Kaidili, Udi Kanko, ya Resa, Udi and Lubia ye kama. Na kura special no boy nya be pada ti Mr. Alfred doctor obejo so me da wase umre no wadaje na otwe besi mon kwa modin ho Ebeseshia. That's yamwakwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumadi no so health tips na yede akowie na otwi mu nyina wa wo kan ye ho ne de no ne nkomo na ye di ntimi ye sure say by this time when the dog adu waten edi enkomo de edu so no Grace Herbal Hospital and so aba ye ne ofa bia ramatu eba bedi enkomo na said the adanse ni flow ho no nso watie bi na fe se wo hu ba bi dodo a ho ne hospital no wakoho na doctor fo nim de fo wo ho no won ma sho ba pa no pe mu ache aho fe no
misiesie aho
fe no mo Grace
gift
Grace gift heba and laboratory service
yes
obi aho ye de
nyame adom
nyame ase papa podaroma ene yen hwede
yo ene nka na ye hwese kan betime yi adanse bi ankrofo di ye so mo ba ho ene de ekoso ma brabom because so that we kasa obi person hu se wakasa dan ne ekoso den obi aba ne ho ato na odi a kire o man Ghana ye hu enti no ya do bibia se hospital ne clinics bebrebu enso mo de o ho dan Grace gift if you say o mo wogidie e wo Grace gift mo na Grace gift de oba ya no uti nchia ya se wo de bra ya re a wo de echi bebia onya no edrum bra be so Grace gift obi a oni kasa also ram say na mechi ela metu kwan ela me hu doctor kukudam o de bra Grace gift enye kasa bebre sa wo so wo de o yedo yare echi na we do last point na only hope bra Grace gift nyakopon e de na dom na o de adom ye no e be sa wo yare enti Grace gift there yes yare bebre e bia na mentima mbo yare so ne ma mbo yare so na no nkire say sa yare no ye nsa wo Grace gift nyame adaroma Adom de adom etimi sa stroke yare yes nyame na chawo nyame na cheba enso wo de fa nipa so esanse o de amama doctors for nim dia o ma ko school no wona obi frɛ oboni e mo obi nidi watem e mo obi frɛ oboni o ba Grace gift a yankopɔ be fa yeso achewawo ama wawo afa wo ba sa wo yo ba so na sa wanya candidate say friend o dey po a white so a o ba Grace gift a yankopɔ be fa yeso anas ebia ho bi dodo hypertension blood pressure bibi che say yare bia wenye bia o de bra Grace gift na ba be so yere Grace gift nso aya most of time be say me kasa fa mba say me yo ba nti oba bia we infection say wo de mpie ya na che say bi ni ohu then oba bia wo ye bra a say bi bu nsan o infection because moja moja fia apie efie body aya di nso so bebre ene breye enso ba Grace gift ya wa ya ye be wo ho ya be no am atena so ene de obenum na efi bi ewo mu bia no apie after your menses so obeti bi mpo na tanya Grace gift a ko ba bia ye breye be for vitamins ene ma so se obepie obekọ washroom abonten public washroom enoma bebre ena ekoye mu a ma yare different enso ba Grace gift anya ko pandaroma obefa ye so ni adom ode adom ye doctors na ya sawo yare Grace gift mese sawo ye bema minua ba na sawo bema sabi enye adwuma na sawo de pem 1 minute na aba for we nature Grace gift wo bema yo num no ebesi wo dadem what I say wo ye bema nso na sawo hwe no so wo say awo ye friend awo untimi nwa for we nature Grace gift and most of times ko for be for say oba pe na enwo oba Grace gift a ye ma hu nkyerɛkyerɛ ehu say ebia na berima no ena enwo ebia na ne hu suo so a ebi so a na agene na intimi mfu oba ne nko bebia e was owo Grace gift so ba yare no ye mpepeni ye share the cause of the sickness na you to yare na se it is wo de yare bia wakọ clinic kese na sa wo fa orthodox medicine kra wo de bra ye ma wo njai ye be short time intervals how betimi dia fa wo bia wa fa herbal no na nyankopon afa ye so asa wo yare
okay Grace gift heba and laboratory service na ye de won mo edin komo a okay kan niema hodo say director audio na video
your video ne your WhatsApp message anko for sending me
no I ready na kwadoroma o me yatumi ahwe bi ne enti adanse no na no e condition ben ya ne adanse akọ
e bi di awo baaye o si onye bra be ya afimu nyina ne moja embaye but oba Grace gift e di ha hydronic no nyame adom waye bro ni kun hia ye no nyame afa ye so adom no akwala fefefe obi susu oba ye no na kidney problem ne hunam nyina adodo no ontimi sorry chese oba no te wheelchair mu ena nyame adom oba Grace gift ye di eduro kan no when you are one, no, on one cassa per se, and they camera to so. No, dear dancer, man, I say, Grace gift to know. Son and why you know, do which a fan on all corner on Nancy Coy, and no more playing a try video say, and a buy the better. I'm a man for we say, Yankopon, for Grace gift, so I'm a do much a deal, dear Domiano, and the year Mamma and the young Coressa dance here, no, Emra.
Solo un covede da compagnia madame no ca prove da come chunsan e ci mo ba fia da metta polisi da metta chonye jikata bakola fogomo kama ba fia cha o mo pu edo ifia mo pu langisa bonso kama gbono no binu yo kala ko makata bo no wo cho la ko mo ye dolo fudanu majiba no va fia no akpo odo ndo sia da yu no kama ta no pa mo mo la fo no aba afia de ma me ne pa chire nyina ne se na wa honhon na furu ni ti ne na se nyina honhon e na ode ba Grace gift ba clinic ode ba ha se no so enche bia e na se ne ho ato no nti omo wo fie nyina no obia fa ne yare bia obia bia on fa mra Grace gift ba clinic e be kana man ho ato no
nti emesa dance no ba ko no
oba enta ne pressure so was so nti oba na ni so hwichem no say nyame afa mo so asam yare dia mo ankasa mo ame na me boderu enhia ma na obi bi owo ne yare ni bi no embra Grace gift unse no ka say wa hoho ntimi 99 she was very weak ntimi nye bibia
nti na read o kan dance na ye de to so no mo hu
text message so me dey my producer say
ka say wo kan wo ba no mo dey ato ho
okay inti me share no wo me phone so sisi ana
yemo stroke fo bi ne
yes me dey
kan pe wada wo ma ye dey beto ho
okay inti me pa cho say the umbet me stroke dey no ne nyin say dey na mamia anka me da o ma say
stroke dey na ye dey kan am say no na gu ho no
yes
WhatsApp there because you ain't me we do how we do
okay hope you're good dog
no say brofo or summarizing my
okay me go you must say I have tested I say my refer nipa mienu omo stroke aba mo ho afiwe mu na me wo fa bia na ontimi nye hwe no nyame adom oba Grace gift no mo dia hahan kan no wetimi afa no ho asore and osan ba bi no ye doctor ba ko oye kukuda mo kan friend Dr. Prince Orlando no say good morning Dr. Orlando me wa dance die me ba be hu Monday na ma clear me balance na me no ka say Grace give the no to je to the only skakra na oba ye the drone kan na ho to wa oba be ti nti o say oba be clear me balance no na I bled very heavy last month say chini de ho mojetu no na okohu ni gynae no o mani twa scan na gynae na ye shocked and na gynae ni hu say fibroid na ewo ni mu no e reduce completely it will be say a den treatment and all ye but one can't try doctor no and a doctor so ka say ye den nyame ase say oji ye di wo Grace gift say dia hahan ne kan no na ma fibroid ni nyina a shrink enti no na ye we no na me the numbers so beto yes ye wo 0543 320 030 0543 320 030 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 na mpacho Grace gift no ye we no aya na ayemienu ye wo Kumase no ye wo Him School Junction off by Cassie Road. But we said die fe Bekasi hotel. O dey say we nin kan wo fie. No be torment wo fie kra by better Grace gift. O be ma free massage. Na be jojo ho na ko fie. Your sanity quite very important. Mental health is very important. And as our background so ye wo new Achimota Petroleum opposite Family Life School. And also there no fita fe. Also be ho or you cannot so call who environment and who to meet on. Yes. How our nurses be receive you, how doctors no be kasakra no Grace gift. You were proper trained counselors. Or more. You be or any counsel your day. You know kasa we talk you into the area no. You who ni cover by no ma here and son and Grace gift. You draw account. Your nurses ni boa there. You home services so. Say sabi wa kwentu o ma me bi papa bi yare unhu ha wa behwe na wo de free grace gift ye audio and a text ye message doctor for the nurses ne be kasa ye no be ye plan how e ba behwe wa wo fu wo fie and our penny bi ase bi wenya stroke waka akonyem de sisi dodo no ne kotodwe ne honam nyina ye ne ya grace gift there ye say ye ba say ye ba besa ayarefo nya yare e wo Ghana.
Yeah, that's say Papa Panty Grace gift heba laboratory service na yete one more and canonti omo ye labs ahodo no nyina bi na on numbers na wo screen no asier me da fofre won bibi kire wadwen a omo aye krado the year no
committee bi si numbers bi man kameda so bi a wante
okay
it's your numbers no 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 and that says 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 0543 320 030 0543 320 030 untimi friend kan oyare so na say oye audio and my WhatsApp messages e be kan na ya fro na ye ni we di nkomo
papa papa bia ramatu na wotene kano na admission course see ya make say was St Andrew Senior High School about time mo Mr. of Abanoko Hoate na wonu hu da say odo ba call St Andrew Senior High School 2024-2025 academic year no admission course Senior High School 1 to 3 and a one more age e mane mo hu ba bia wote when di school no ho mane mo hu your board no ho ne your hostel so facility wo ho nti baby awo bia utime call St Andrew Senior High School ho na hu se wo ba ni wie school na wasi result no wa wo be hu difference no clear wo mu twa ne ye pa asin fosu one more Rich FM dynamo Rich FM dynamo ho na St Andrew Senior High School one more Mankesim ni wadu bia se shama dunkwa wono fen se hwi asanye so ene enkran ho nyinaa St Andrew Senior High School waha 0244 696911 0244 696911 and 020 789 1004 020 789 1004 my komra yo foforo ho yebeto so Adom TV Badwam Jumadie no so medidi afia amankwa tamaklo medase omre no adaje abrebia no dem Adom TV ti yani somo papa ti nkomo we so na emoa ya sha afefoforo mu enti ewo se yapomude hu nsam ne de yade tutu amaso sa se be ya wetumi ahwo hu ye Dr. George Siama Junior ewo ha free C4C liver specialist hospital and I no pay you won't buy the comway. Dog me more quabe. I'm more official punch. The whole of this year. I very much.
Yes, no credit.
Wow.
After
said I'm quite holding ho.
Amen.
Na ready to switch ra won san waju maso.
Amen. Amen.
That's papa. She said them say liver no ho da wuro no a na C4C airbo. To other Roma, ye nim common for liver no ho ye liver no hye e de na ye woni pedua dem.
Say fia me da say. Sanya Riley Okaya no. Liver is a very important organ. Say uja liver no ho almost about 80% of yare nyina no. Liver no wan ho de a onyare.
Okay.
You see anatomically liver no on the right side of your body into the upper quadrant. Na che say uba your abdomen no sro ho kakra na e ho na wo. Emodu about 1.5 kg. Kilogram. Now just say share your body weight now. About 2.5% of your body weight. It's in the modu. Na nejuma wo ye no doso. Yankopon yansem no o ma liver no ahoden bi a ono ayare a otumisa no ho yare. Enti say before wa liver no be ma we hu say oyare no. Na che say wa try a mo ntumi nye bio. Na afi abo yare. Enti liver no ahoden no eni kwan say ba form. Esan say eduane bia ye bedi bia no ekoye yefun mu a ye was special vein be a friend portal vein are connected to ye yefun no ne intestines ne mu enti moja a nutrient wo mu a ye didi eduane mu ahoden nyina ye beje no efa yefun ne mu a na akomoja ne mu na akofa liver ne mu ansa na akọ back to yakoma na yakoma achicha manipeduane nyina enti say moja no ho ntia
de how bre nti Nyankopon yansem no wama liver no bibi te say hepatocyte meka hepatocyte a eye tissue bi a wo liver no mu a se wonom nsa bebre a liver no eye hepatocyte ne ginsa no no what turning into chemical bi chemical ya friend acetylene. This type of chemical no and one eye omode plastic rubber any insecticides no it very very harmful. It is a liver ne ntimi ansone alcohol na sa chemical it na liver ne mu na ama na ye cancerous. It is a liver ne ntimi anye sa o yare o cancer chances ekosoro. Liver ya so wo kafa cells. Ye kafa cells a de bia ya meka say
liver no da so yo.
Yes, nti de bia meka say kafa cells no eye macrophages. Ye ka macrophages a fiba woni pedua no mu a ye wo white blood cells bi ombeku omo. Omo ye mature da e wo liver ni mu a ye from kafa cells. Nti de bia no omo gina boda no before a fiba ba woni pedua no mu no bacteria wo den yo na wache no na waye no ho ejuma. Nti wo liver no wa hoden a infection emma also bebre because o breachi ho na obetimi akwa adwen ni mu wa koma problem wa adwen ni mu obetimi ama problem wa akoma ni mu ti liver na anye ho ejuma sa obenum antibiotics azo enko ye wonkofo bebre wo ho a ya kire no de wo so ye nyina ye si mendi we no medro we waye ni nyina so still infection no wo ho a che wo hwe liver na so regulate hormones ye ka hormones ye ka ebia estrogen. Liver no special receptors bi wo mu a echi estrogen. Estrogen ye yenuanom mba hormones. Enti se anye balance ya awo ho ye de. Enti se o liver na ntimi anje sa estrogen ni ye a efi ya estrogen no ho fi no etna oni peduane na wanya hormonal imbalance. Enti se ebia wo treat hormonal imbalance. De bia wo kɔ ne ya ma withdraw therapy fufuro ba cha hwe liver. Liver ya biom so regulate hormone a ye frɛ no cortisol. Cortisol hormone ye hormone bi a ye stress bebre a na aba. Se dose wo mu a etimi ma stomach ulcer. Dose wo mu bebre a etimi ma depression. Etimi ma onya anxiety. Etimi kura so ema onya heart problem. Liver ya na regulate no. It is a liver na etimi anya sa mental health issue ba. De bia me ka se ye wonkofo bebre wo ha mo fa antidepressant. Na eni kwan se nko mo fa. Na wo se nko mo hwe mo liver no. Na liver no regulate hormones no omo ye okay. It is a liver no ntimi ndi se ejuma we nyina obenya problem. In some cases could produce albumin. Albumin is a type of protein bi a se ndos woni pedua no ma onya problem. One major thing is your oncotic pressure woni pedua no just a pressure regulate protein no. Eba form na ekosoro bebra insuo timi gina woni pedua no. Empem bebre no obinya edema na ne na mema so na baby mema so na o se ni kidney. Enso enye de bia na ye kidney no. O liver na ntimi ye adwuma bi yesa emwa o kidney no na efi etna woni pedua. Nti liver no sorry, a very important organ. Okutia na yare bebre beba ni pedua no so. Se o liver ho touch ma some of the signs and symptoms be obenya. And so bones on who to make it cow. To jari we are pebbles and walk cow. Intimi reduce to germs no our system in the moon. Until na be accumulate now unya chronic inflammation. Oliver ya creates in your problem. Oh, you be kakra no abre. Obi will also cry na ni yefuna ye distended and answer hono. Because insuo ataho liver intimi enye insuo ni nyina. These are very important conditions. Sometimes udi liver no ho agora bekwa akotwetwe aba. Se we obi mpa wafa pressure drop bebra check your liver. Opa awo check your liver. Ibo kidney problem check your liver. Liver no ye 80% of cases nyina. Nti si for see say ye nko nja liver no ho. Se ne tie bia treatment bia no awose ye hwe liver no. Ye timi ma liver na hoden a ensuo eduane moja edro bibia afa ho. So liver na hoden wo form obetimi anum ndro bebre so anya edwumada because eno an ebeji edro no na yi mu ahoden no na odi efi na ma o kidney anase se odi ama o other organs na ba bonti ye obibi e friend no bilirubin se fia bilirubin ne dose woni pedua no anye liver ya na yipie ti se dose won abon se weni na yellow de ta friend John dis no nti ubehwe a nkola bi wo ha ebe wo no yesi ye de ne kotu blue light mu ha blue light ne che se eboa na ma ne jaundice no aba from e pa check your liver nti liver ne de ye nko enja ho kra nti na C4C e de special medication I friend Livotone aba system na eni je sam ne say Livotone enye so wo liver problem nko na obe no because ye believe ne say so bo liver no ho ban a onyare nti nombi so ye akwala peni opemfo ana say akwala ya won foforo kra owo problem with jaundice onya Livotone na beboa then na Livotone ne koye ekobua o hepatocyte which is the tissue of the liver no eno na mpe mebre no onya hepatitis a na multiply in 10 times na ho no and is onya Livotone na reduce that effect no na eboa liver no ema liver na ejuma ye di ho nkomo nyina no aye na asan aye ne ye na o heart problem say o fa diabetes edro ana hypertension edro o liver ye o say gi o glucose si chire ni kakra it is o liver ho ode wo fama obenum diabetes edro sa so enko nti mesre se bebi a wo bia no C4C adom ne wo ho se owo eye sunyane C4C wo ho owo eye hohoi ana se Volta region se owo eye central region titru Cape Coast Mankesim Salt Pond Mori ena Winneba ho nyina no C4C wo ho se ope Livotone ata adom nti all over Ghana Accra ha obatema ana se oba Adenta oba Madina ana se bebia wa Accra ha in the western region so Takra de Takwa ne nyina C4C ewo ho okoya Ashanti region na edum ene ejeso so C4C ewo ho onmo Tamale Boligatanga wa na northern sectors ne nyina C4C wo ho Oti region kra C4C wo ho nti so ohia Livotone
na number no
na ebia o ba hospital na be ye din amawa o friend number ya dispatch rider wo ho a ye de ebebro ye 50% discount no so e call for first 50 callers mesel free na nya 50% discount ni bi 050 00403331 050 00403331 announce 050 00403328 050 00403328 C4C homeopathic and C4C liver specialist hospital ye giendro ni di egie treatment plans ni di enti de bia ya sema ye kan say once treated forever treated anope ye da obi bia say
yes ye da Dr. George Siama Junior se papa panti ufa number na bibi kire wadwen na no mo akasa mamen komra na sister Sandy bi oye guy onfa ho sepemro na brebe mo ebesaba ya beto so ye kwaba.
Thank God it's Friday. World of Entertainment. Yeah, Drew swore. And even I'm a day some of base nature. But in the Sandra, Henry, Adom Entertainment. I'm a Ghana for Chimois.
When you start sending, where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Remwana can osmose so I said Donald Trump. Now, Nana says osmose is cabon me home.
We a guy, we a guy, we a guy, we a guy.
Many are making osmosis. None of your pharmacists. What I say, but you are for a time a more. Mark Weber, I am a director. Santi Achima go this year. Jaffrey Pon Nana, one of the machine chia will me a boba inside and swa. Uncle Thomas, aging a camera next year will make sure say be she won't say a brand here by Uncle Prince. And so then chat a gusa. Mama kwa baby, Mama, yeah, one no I'm a refinity. Olamikel, oh, is Olamikel. On your spoon or MC out time, she make up the party say, Ubia, but she don't say, Yenta by and a chase and say, Ghana's entertainment perfect. And it's not so small, Bonsemba of Fachami. Ah, yes, it is. What's more, and some of the Pinana, Asia, Yan starting free. Young famous Africans. Why if a show na? Air course on Netflix, no. Say your rep room, Nigeria forum, Tanzania forum, Ghana, Fantana, and air represent here na. Oko social and so I slippery. And for say I was saying ka. Yade Hajia for real, and air represent here. And I made just on say producers of the show no. And you. Executive producing you sika. What me I suggest because Muntina you decide you made no Peace Hide na your producer by the way. Peace Hide Ghana ni. You know, I say Peace Hide back in kind. Na wetie musufre. Almost yan fa Hajian representing obi say Hajian te bro for massa. But ne ho efe. Hey, Ghana. And obi say Hajia can't speak good English. We want Charlie Dion rather. Mama min twa comments in here and to us why in here na. Me kwa na me senki yan fa Jackie Apia. Anase na na akuado. Sa maya mienu betimi afesi Zara ene ani wo house so a enye better cry. Into no we dey pe side we dey yenti na moye show no se yenhwe. Mombo modin a se mode what they saying Jackie Apia anase ba kwi di sen cry. Na na akuado because omo de be me mai pa. Into no me say obi wo asemi mo de mo no wa set ring light we can be on. Montie ne mre.
Onim say Hajia for real ewa hanmanka ono so betimi a represent Ghana ewo young famous Africa no. But because everything about Hajia for betimi compete with Zari. But let's put that aside. Now we are on Fantana. Fantana is a gamer. Fantana is really playing this game where Fantana is the best. Let me tell you, without Fantana, this young famous African, without Fantana, Diamond, Zari, and Annie, these 4 people are making the show very interesting.
That's yeah, because Mountain ye show, that's if you assume. I say I call English lessons. Now English lecturer no ebe Dina Samoa. Or the same year by Evangelist Dina Samoa has advised her fans to improve their English skills. Oh my God. Okay. As she plans to release all her music in English this year, starting with her upcoming album titled Stepping Stone. Now, Sister Penny, who Chester fans improve your mobile. Patchway the Wadaro may need him how far. Say once no way improve it. And the moment in your more person what they bought was an album ning now but to a brofum. Asamaba, Quetie bra.
I make catch will be said. My next album, I remember this year, after 2 days, Stepping Stone. Stepping Stone. This time, my mom tree baby. Oh, me, your mammy, baby. My mom brought Funa baby, tree back to a meeting on table for us at the Cobra of school. Nadia, me made it down in Ghana, Mamma de Brofo. I hammered that because my God is a teacher. He's a professor. Our God, Jesus Christ, is a professor. He's a teacher. He's a neology and neology. Put your hands together for Jesus.
Put your hands together for Dinah.
I'm a catcher will be.
Ola Mikel, Osmo. Put your hands together for Dinah. Mommy. I mean, cancer, Moncho. Ghana, your language, tree. They be a cancer, dear Nisa Moby the title, a brofo. Oh, because Brony, oh, yam fetchy in Tati Bruni, yam beside Bruni say, won't me mube. Why I can't offer now tea no more show, but as sounds a good say, Nipa ube who brofoka. Somebody I could pay baby. Na Bruni, no, who I wait for night, at your chin come on, don't say a funny affair. Ah, wait a minute, quite a hosting so. Yeah, that's sorry, there's a business mogul, Chumberma. What all Rolls Royce no crown chair, cry, Branty. Business people, bit say Kupali, Musede, or Munim ne pan, Limusania, or Bray and the wardroom pempers, or to Rolls Royce and chair. In fact, Rolls Royce, what am I making? You, Rolls Royce, no 2025 edition, he was the only person in Africa, Okrebio, and it's a car, no, the Akoshiwi. Now, me, yeah, me call comment session, no. And go for saying if free fear, just somebody be free fear. If you for that say yes, say over speeding. So be na de be pem no, since you na toy say airport to e ho na if you for the straight bullets. So there, shaka crabra na ara hosem.
Forget. Umbrella no. Umbrella no.
Enti say na ekoye otoye no say na make no the only person in Africa me go bisa kan na one ne kupali mo asuom ho kana ani omo na omo nka abranti asamoncho ye nto aso Shatawale on say ebiaba eba ne sana na asemo ye ne so sister Sandy oh ye Shatawale story dodo na sister Sandy upe Shatawale asem say we enter sa wodofo also no awobonyom say I'm the news I'll make you keep talking and akwaye ne say enye say me sheda ye ne bibio ade na ba yes so I have for the stories no for the positive stories no ade na nya ba betom die Ghana's entertainment professor sister Sandy I was say me chirim shatter born bi 1 week in ye 1 week in ye pepe pa enyom ne da number 2 intare na any say yeka and what say yeka the guy is doing well because me I sure say favorite ko release nyoma o sa de ye promo say be 1 month and home ete be 1 month and home ete na emfa ko fi ampedo me da ase enti we no 1 week in ye oh yeah 1 week in ye o release nyom no the song is doing well with huge numbers this is one of the guys onokwa onye promo thank you on say onye promo on han obi onye promo bi abanyum na ankasa de ne honam eda number 2 it was more bomb guy no because this is how we like it on the street Ghanaian artists omobu omohumadi let's see ha mami tweet no we are to her 25th January na what was on Shatawale ankasa o free Jamaica buy no onye niema no onye bibia nti no o yesa o pesa okoka no asa wo okoka no wa bekekem ya jai ya ko Jamaica na hu niema foforo ya jai sa niema ningi na se oka SM boss SM fans no ene nu bedi I tweet no way because my boss na free Jamaica by a vice cartel scene a dance walking no say ken no me say ken wajai enye also my life has not been the same since I returned from Jamaica. Wow. Out of 4 wow so. Thank you Ghana. Thank you Jamaica. Thank you SM fans. Africa dance hall king. Osmo jatu mame dear she boom 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 boom. Obi Jamaica ba yo. Obi yema different. Ba no ka bonsema SM fans ni because Satis bia wo fan base say SM fans Satis no komu le because it's the fans and they making a sound. God bless all SM fans. What na ye nto aso. Opesa okoka na adwene ho. Nyese wo mfi nti wo beka no dwene ho. Ko SM fa ayo a 05 nko ayo a shatter di baba flex germain sankofo mi sankwa straight bullet. To beka na adwene ho pa. Mekwa meka ho fo dwene ho. What ye nto aso. Me assure say we are aware say Kiddy ene Kwame Eugene omo nyina ye signed under Links Entertainment me boa my blue ka ho DSL ka ho Links for no kwa hwan bi Coca Adina ka wana say Adina no e Kwame fache eti dia wonim ne say ye fa bi 360 sa 360 no you know record label no one better on your mama record label no on be pe collabo amount record label be ye promo amount sa so na sika ne ba revenue no record label ne betete etina okopie mu Hit FM no na reach ma yate ase say Kiddy ni DSL pe any Links Entertainment omo ya under sa 360 management no na say Kwame Eugene there praise be asafo de ne honam on say Eugene otimi tro ne nwom otimi produce as me be say Kiddy wontimi ntro produce ana say den ba wotim say Eugene fast eno oyi ne ho free sa 360 ni because ntse say odofo ka ba na sika de nyina e 360 nti enu na reach each mu say Kiddy any DSL. Nti afọ onse kid ni use no. Me sure say by now no. Okay, you so trying to see so up and down. See so. Tina no masamba.
I want to ask, you know, you try to go in there and he brought in a certain answer, but we want to be clear. So far, said it be a home about how many artists are there in links now?
Oh, there are 3 artists on a 360 deal. So
Okay.
there's Kiddy, there's DJ Veroski, and there's DSL.
Okay. Wakari also. You know, yeah.
Then when you say 3 artists on 360, it means there are some left who are not on 360.
Yes.
So yeah,
What
so
is
now
it?
because we have distribution, anybody can sign on to the distribution. So the 360 deal means we handle everything for you.
Yeah.
That one, if you're Sadat TSF, if we are hungry,
you go get something chop.
Exactly. But the distribution means that we are handling your music going out there. So it can come with advances, but it's not an.
Enti by now no say kwa me Eugene shoe kwati a wono na bepam na ade. Ba kidi shoe ti o mo super glue a o mo de beso ama no. Sanso na ekomo de yi a kidi a o mutimi oda aduane ma no. Ba Eugene ekomo de na jiso no ato. Fair deal. What I say sika ne ban so a ye betie afim aduane e to ma kidi. Na tade ete ye sanya wo chi mu no. Eye rich na ni da ho. Wone mama Alberta ni no mani da ho. Family business no mo ye teteka etwiaka. What's it? I'm in fancy pana. Eagle and a shirt addy. Eagle wear. Just as you say a pam che. Ya water sano. Same building with Starbite restaurant. She eagle chair the material and the sewing no a made in Ghana. Material will call eagle being a beato. Was the palm dress of a palm me a guy in some the palm shirt near the masha meche. Guys nebe. To you eagle chair water sano. Same building with Starbite restaurant. Ken Osmosis, Olamikel, or my sound engineer, so mobile machidom, MCR, HR Miguye, Esther Ann, a coloche, a makeup department on Ijimai and a tree menim, a mammy, Mark Weber, a Santia Chimago good this year, a Jaffrey and Paul Nana, or no name director, Madame CP Weber, Mr. Thomas, and Afe Prince, HR Miguye, and Famani. So I'm the guy's queen, and show mouse here, Shannon Colani, say, another trip. Kwa jiji enia kwa siada mwe huni ngina kama wate. The guys, same time Monday, same channel. Bye for now.
When you start sending where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Kwa baby ndo Badwam TV Badwam jumadie no eso yeda Sister Sandy be oye guy. Eda na se some kacho semesa baby MT Odopi Heba Healing Center ewa ha. Aye no mbabedi enkomo Ora John Kofisaki. Ene Kofaribai na fe Samuel Saki ye general manager e wo hampeni fo makwa be na me mamu official panso afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho na bibie ekoyie papa Odopi Heba Healing Center me fa free Mr Saki ho senior Saki ho eye adwumakuo ben ya den ye
yo me pacho o de kan mama eti free na akwaba aba Adom TV so San say nde dakase anyakopna aye tia ni say nimdie guma ahoro oyo hwie hu na wo nyankopon frɛ na nia ebedi nkometi oyo nyankopon ankasa frɛ afa eniyare ahoro hu eni fraye obi a ne efre bia wo ho kwan sa no mo aye to about Adom TV station abuwa madia said the ti bia obama na efre na ada Adom sense awon sampa na esigana ha yimpe pi ebu faso so mbu hu na so omu hu berepa aba yankopon bi ekwan ato se sa bride otwa se Ghana man Africa wi ade man nyina etu yankopon de
Odopi eni nko na moye hospital clinic ana say dey ana drone yeton
me pacho oye clinic nye dro titi ne yeton na mho ye bia ya bakade oya ye sabe kakrabem say on the hospital no waka hospital ye wonu me bi a okabo ya na sa na tomato ni de hospital na ho mochiri ho hospital but njintum ni ya clinic
okay
of the P Herbal Healing Clinic and Herbal Center.
Wow. Healing na wo mu de say healing be koso. Nti ani hu adwuma nkwa mama ni da ho.
Yo, yensa eninku a ye de ahodo. Na mbom onyankopon yi no ho che ye ne papa.
Okay.
Na ode edru sunku bi bai. Na ye oga na ehun say ye de ahodo bebre wo na so enifreye ye yele a eya sonko. Se nipa woni ni kosumu a na wabrabo nyina ese abewie wo pransi nyina so asai eni to nyankopon yi sa eduro no kire ye na papa no ye papa so amfa Morgana fo abro eni ti nipa bebre ba behwe eduro no oye eduro aye no
okay
ye nso ye mfa ngwe no so wodi we ni hwe keke na se we ni hawa na we ni so atew te
wow
eni ti asem we ebeye wonwa wo Ghana enti daily graphic report
fa hwe ha
Daily Graphic report here. Man claims cure for blindness. 2019.
Okay.
Adom kra be yes story no. Other stations be yes story no. Since then, yipa bebre aba center wha be hwe aduro no a omani ayese ate won te.
Wow.
Na Bible say yen so kan dia emfa nhekru ase. Na mo di sika ne dua so ma na hye manyipa yina ayese ehun. Na dia eye wonwa asem we se papa we on charge
ayo
adum de ba ye no se nipa no de edu man free so on hwa man in charge na mo ono an fi ni pemu
nipa na free ni pemu
de obetumi obeye ode be bo center no afama e won se ni frafo mieni bi call Jesus Christ in chen no m ka che Jesus Christ say David ba humimobo
fato na
yo David ba humimobo na Jesus bi say den na menyam o se said ye ni be se ibehu ade ni Jesus hwe omugidi no na ode ne nsa ye e ka mo pe na mo ni na ye ebieye one thing ye won say or different from healing ni treatment they are not the same healing they are ma otumfo nyankopon no na treatment na ye eba ye nipa ye enche nti ye we de ye healing eni nti edu no wo famgu we ni won so won nom nti wodi we ni hwe no na ehuru we ni
ene me nkọ no ho na agya na
da wo fa bibi kakra nso so etise kane no Bible mu na yekuchi yese oye Israel fo ye boni ti onyankopon no onyankopon ma wo kwai mo wo yese ekeka omo ba onyankopon kan asem yo so obi oba ni ahwe saa kobre wo no saa nipa ne ni so be yese ana yele ne be yese ebejai eni ti we enfo baby a wodi we ni na yese akon ejidi asem wo ba na obetena ho na wodi we ni hwesi ya just 10 minutes pe
okay
say glaucoma say cataract say retinal detachment wo ko Kristo wa kaja yele sa ye bi say wo ko hospital na say wo ko den ana say me da wase
jene papa we de nyame achawade onye hwe nti ye ade ba ko adua na si ho ne ye ba ne ye de yani no ahwe so ana sese ne tie
pacho oye dia na dua kokroba na one thing that need to be by na okay no unfortunate three adini na gina akwanchi empaibo yichire na nzo ofi strawberry
okay
na ono siasia chechire ma on them the time no it's yaban
yes
na anwasem de wias ben na ate
enti mo wo ho for how long yem fan fi ho
2018 sisia doma wa fami nsem
anu hu book ni e
wow ina
ye go what ni ti asekura na ze book we de ze nya so be bia
yankofo
eni nkwa
graphic corporation
ai
edima so several times graphic we so kan ho bi
so bo mai ni ehwe no boko
we graphic
and evidence based ni ye wa
it hano ose Manteaw Herbal Center attracts long queue daily graphic airport
and ye year be no
so ye 2019 ya we 12 December 2019 na we so SI health service team visit Manteaw Herbal Center eba sa na ebe ye wonwa nti no so aban tu enyimdifo a efa apomuden ho eba behwe se de aye kana yese no kra na eni to mu nyina be yes san hwehwe mu se de aye kana yese no kra na sisi asenti aye ba aye ne se nyimpa bia no betumi aba center ho
okay
eni nti enche bia ye ko oye Kumase cultural center na ye ka das edu ne di ewo ne nipa bebre ba ye no na ahoto no ba ye obi so na meni mi hu ade me hwe meni ate we sisi na si das na aye bebre itema ye course fi takra de ne takwa enti sisi am no okesi next week 28th 29th 30th ye kwatakwa St. Matthew Parish.
Okay.
Ye di se eduko no a ye hwe wo center ho mankesi mo ba ho. Enti takwa for mo hwe ye.
Yes. Mo date ni ye 28th to 30th January 2025 omo batakwa. Enti o say venue ni ye hefa.
St. Matthew Parish Roman asodan kese no a omo ho kese bi wo.
Mo sha se tambe.
Ye sha se anopa no nsiem pem ni ye registration. Esa say ye nje hwe de but esa say Adom hasi omoji yen kakra e ho so be jo keketi ese nipa na wo ba no so support 100 cedis said ye betumi edi bia abo
wuro because come begusa say 2019 antimo nka afi no mabara na mo mai nti ka sa munyi sika na say sa mo amunyinya musika bia muntime ma
nti nipa no a mo aba ne hye yen se yen kwa bonten in the say adwumedi paya ese edi but yen ko so yen ko no kwa and inti papa ya fasa ka ni nyina
waja
2018 19 me an megina
aboho ka nyina
yiche ni engine ba no ehye
sa
obibia me because menti pense Ghana ha ye wo hospital for the blind but school for the blind but we yamiama any for when be doso
oh na buku yi nko ye
personal report be blame no creso
papa mo my number no na ja ye water kwane ne important opportunity number enti ani bia enti
me can say we healing there's different from treatment and healing
okay
treatment ne the nipa na but healing the wo ba be show nyankopon mpu ne mpu enti wa wo bona bompaye wo fie say Kristo mate wonde said the be be da oye nsubro be said the nsubro embro no 48 years na ne ho nto na so she Kristo no ye say ne ho to no ye say wo ba be hwe weni keke 10 minutes
enti aho na ebete
ehie se ka reporters kra be di echi no mo kra ba be hwe bi no mo de die be si be ye say ebeba esan ni pa bebre
my number no kra
your number is 054 81 46 105 054 81 46 105 newo 0244 48 99 46 0244 48 99 46 na so ye kese pa e wo mankesim timma market wo ko aye Cape Coast kwan no so a obe hu ye ba sisi a de papa no etu no tu abetakwa Roman Catholic Parish St. Matthew Parish ebe eye takwa wo fa say park no kese pa no ne chipe e wo de dwumedi na ese baba enti wo hwe me bia se weni no eye wisi wo hunu ade
why operation
enti wo hwe wie no ye ma na do bi amfa nko
de tini say ye wo eduro ahodo but obegina said the adini say ete os Jesus Christ so ko no so sunsum konko ye say ebaye eninti said the ubehwe eduwe ne weni ne ti wie a ne so wa ho de so betum beje sa edu ni bisu dia na wa wasem ne mo we registration eye 100 Ghana cedis
de ne say o ma ba TV su de esa mutua kakra 100 cedis na sabe ya obetumi abod dawro no 300 de ko ho omwa sa aye nwanwa mpa since 2018
na echi o ma adwen but yanko pad ma 2-3 days na fidi
ni pabebla
fresh ye mama dia
emre na asan nyame hira mo pa ya da senti
be pemre ni asan abedu
sa sika ne ba momra mo ba ye ne sa mo
yampo ne be peska
no
kasa diska beba
ora John Kofi Saki no CEO no na da odopi heba healing center wone Samuel Saki general manager na oba evidence base and gu hanu nti se wo ani problem bi ade afre numbers you on there today then one kasa media fear amankwa tamaklo kwesi ya krado de asemedika etwaso
Commander 6 Carlos said it here Dabi akacho said oboni die ene besum ye man Ghana Sabiam ye nintra ye ninton Yemfa kasantwi enkasa nkyere mpani enye ne sense sound ne masabi ye kasa boanso akayem Baby and penny for che betwa madwene so. Baby a woye niem so ebe o maba so. O man nchichire ne nkanko eno no. Timaka cho sa semidika eni wo sese bi bebo aban achi nko a. Ene to bia dan fo to madwene se bia oye the burden of the government. But o man nchichire nye sese mini metwe nifa nko a. To bia na the papa bi so koso. No atwe manfo adwene so. So aban ka so be ye ABCD ampede ne kohwe ne waye na ye nkranhye de ama won na edi saade nanim bede dia kwasensia asemi de kabre na edruwen edra na krata be free Ghana Education Service and pen phone chain ebe na medikrata na be kirewo ena na pay ya na direct afedie headmaster said that in various public senior high schools no ewa kwanya so metimi ato onwua na atense for a certain period so krata no NM or see approval to procure essential food items at the school level with reference to letter number from the chief director of the Ministry of Education on the above subject matter. Management is pleased to officially communicate the granting of approval by the office of the president to heads of public senior high schools to procure essential food items needed to feed students for a period of 2 weeks from 20th January to 3rd February 2025. This is an interim measure to improve the feeding situation in the various public second cycle institutions. Consequently, disbursement based on student enrollment and approved cost of feeding each student per day has been made to the schools. The approved rate is 7 cedis 50 pesos and 3 cedis for boarding and day students respectively. Each school will utilize these funds to procure essential food items available in their localities for the 2 weeks. Similarly, a lead of purely day schools should engage the services of private caterers to provide a hot meal to students at the appropriate rate. Regional directors are kindly requested to bring this to the attention of all heads of public senior high schools. Ntikrata na sebo nyina nsa afede abama kwanya se na otwimye ne yedi anemu olisika ko headmasters ya omoda aban ento aso school ano na otwimye ne to betimi ato aduane afiri wankasa potamu e de asom adusuafo wonom na eno achi nso yempe ankrankra bi obenu aduane ama day student a ewo ye various communities no ne papam eye pa say abanisiye because bi mu gidi wo awreshi mu say ene betimi aboa ma enwane akontentem am ye mofra na nya bi edi but quick one to your headmasters no. This is not the first time why yes hard way. This is not the first time yes hard way. Now even ye a hard dream pa is some kaya. I think either before or after the swearing of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Time I beto just say in you after e beto just say enwane ho ye den ewo school sa wodu mu na na kufa da ban ekọ wa nyanwane bia ehonom no sabre mam chiro video bi na school beza bi aso anwane agu taxi bi to odi edwane akogu nwurem enwane na si bi no asata na headmasters issue statement wo ho ya ne sound na edi enibre abakrum na some beza storekeepers This is not the first time. I quite remember, I think last year, somewhere May, some senior high school, the storekeeper, the bezer, and I think one other, I think caterer. Every year school nyane sa. It headmasters, yeah, the imam will be because some of the complaints that I'm getting in our HM say. Enwane na feni e top free central government won the chair edeba mo no enso kan obi na enwane ntama e school sa odomu So you want to believe say most sua bibi dey free. Sa sinto na eba ya na mo ye hwehama mo manfo ni bi ewie school for nnuane no. And as part of it now your education minister, Honorable Haruna Iddrisu. I wish say ka yeku yanim ya say aduane bi yira e wo school mu a the headmaster no must be held accountable. Not only omu a omu wie nnuane ne nko a. Because a part of my request say aban prema mo akasa mo ntom nnuane. What be wo makasa perception won say any amanfo esem nye issue e be di akire say. But we don't want to believe say ebeye nokore. E say ka so me dey e kan wasemi e ka ye ne ache headmaster so aka ho. Say the be ya and the ho betimi aba. Na ban tonko so nyi sika nto nnuane fama ye mofra na nipa bone fo nim na ma kire enwie nnuane ko won fie. Ni esu ni ekam sa duane ye de ma ye mofra no enye no because aban sika ni ye. Ba nipa bone fo bi e wo ye school sa hoduru mu. Hwe we nyina ye tin tomatoes so. Eni apake ne sa no. Tin tomatoes ni apake ne sa no. Kwabraniama sabram se na headmasters e de krata ababonte ka che se ennuane ni schools mu. Na headmasters e de krata ba se enduane e di nnuane e bi ni school mu na kwabrane anya kwan awia bi egu taxi to ya wo di dwane ya kasa ne ebo man for mo ayeye ne ebo man for na ja politicians ne de o ma kasa na akofo mo abentine no bende ka na dia from ba se the real quote criminals ne wo ye system mu no. Politics be a Tom so bentina if he say omune some of the challenges. Oh, how ni o wona kasa ye me no mienu. Ye nya kwanya ye sum ye man. Ye nipa bone sem ya dwemfi ya ye de esum man no e na bo man ne fom. Na se ba ku fo timi sesa caravan ba ku seya. Enwane se na ban be kosku mu a e be so ndisuafo no. Ennuane say Tima can so chance muna mo lead this call and na ban se na otwemi no de amam na I know say ekwo ebeto aso saa. I wish the education minister be kan omo nhye won say tin tomato ba kompo kura be yire fi school no the headmaster will be held accountable. Sene mampeni tinka no bi yade wasante mampebo mampeni din no. You can't be a headmaster. Ya mpenfo e hye wase enu be se 120 na aka jem so ntimi supervisor mu nyina. No, it can't happen. Na afa yen court nso ni diem. Some of these cases ni bi a che wo court wo. Some of these cases no e be a che e wo court wonom because say timi obi a set scapegoat e ma ye adesuama afoforo his car ban so they call 3 cities 50 3 cities and as I 7 cities 50 pesos ni nyina em kra se ye konko manage no obi be say wie bi nyame hu ye nyina mabo. The be because wo ma akande fu abadwu o man ho omo nye pesame nkominya no be hu wo nyina ye die me de dia kwasesia asebi de kane e bra se de pese mu e beto aso makra ya ma kwa be bra se de pese beto aso area ma Badwam eso eni on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Multi TV Digibox is live and so you're streaming on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe abekobia ye live onum. Ya comments ebegini akenkan e de amampanifo atenase. Ye de komotwe no ebe hye. So honorable ni Amasa Namwale former MP for La Dati Kotopon. And I think former deputy agric minister. Yes. platform musa na bom agric ne fishes na bom
yeah nam ye deputy minister of agric in charge of fisheries.
Yes. Vincent Eko Asefua on say Esquire near Masanamo Lesu Esquire nti emrenim for mienu ena no pay masho monte Ego go there.
Well, nyame adom ho yem patro na so e
nyame adom
but to me senior I think said the last time we share no were 2-3 years. He's actually my mate to law school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Many just say, "What do you mean you are about to share bio?" Yeah.
That what you say?
What tough bako? I mean, yeah, tough man. I mean, yeah, him for what tough. Na not tough him na pound phone na massage yeah pankro no force so. Tough and pankro no him. I mean, him for pankro no. And then panyufo a wo old tafo pankrono constituency me chair obi bia ne anopay so we na nim no as a parliamentarian there normally weekends we try as much as possible say obeko constituency last weekend am wo na me adoma weekend in Sumako of course as usual funerals na say ye naming ceremony weddings ni no make ka ho ebeko nya kwakoboa. But enra me hu letters krata mienu ba kon ma unso di kan sisia no from GS especially because me felt na Ministry of Education the krata na be say chere na say no headmasters ye more musika na omatumi atomo normal as you rightly said this is not the first time this is happening. It was the MPP government nearby, you know. We felt there were some few issues with respect to how ana normal ko. Nti ya don't say be to normal free buffer stop. There was a pushback. Who said some of the headmasters or most of the headmasters were not happy about that. Also, so go through more normal procurement processes. You just cannot go and buy. Or more procurement processes. Go through. Headmasters in any home. Per me investigations and me engagement and many pennyful no they're happy about it. I think they didn't like the current status quo no. Sisi ameno kase menya ntese sika no krampo yetua dia ma wo mo. But an amount of 7 cedis per day.
Then 7 cedis 50 pesos.
7 cedis 50 pesos. Yeah. Breakfast, lunch, supper. Yeah. Now obubu sa won so kusua kra say
divided.
Nti say anopa no obedi be 2 cedi 20 pesos and 2 cedi 50 pesos.
Into one slot be 2 cedis 50 pesos.
2 cedi 50 pesos.
50 pesos. We are 2 cedis 50 pesos.
Yes. Mr. Kusia say.
The size
Kusia the smallest size. Say 2 cedi 50 pesos and 3 cedis. Yes, you took Kusia krama was kanasa.
Fano pano.
But the indication I get is that Sikano ye Sika na omuno that is what the government is telling us to do.
Okay.
And me investigations am I now the government is saying that we na ye use the tier and as the talk from buffer stock.
Okay.
I'm yet to confirm that information from Ministry of Education and as a Ghana Education Service. Yeah. Be that as it may. If that is the situation, then the government got it wrong. The government got it wrong because say my contractors because one told you an informer the whole of Ashanti region because of economies of scale. Because of economies of scale. Adia and kabit me turn of 5 cities no. Over turn 3 cities because oh turn of dodo.
Yeah.
Now if headmaster be an ekwakoto for a smaller number of people, maybe a 2,000, 1,500. So 3 cities no nya obenya 5 cities because the number of people are what to do so. Eswati. So, assuming or granted that Sika ewohono enwa no mutua dia ma wo mo a you cannot use the same amount of money and of course we share inflation cost running normal cost running now you cannot use the same amount of money. So the government should have realized that because of economies of scale you know komobe maskanimu eso kakra e dia ma headmasters no because opoku arenkwa na ekwakoto school na say St. Hubert nkwa na ekwakoto ne barrier a different from say contractor back or Todiama schools be in Sia and I say automa schools be edu and na headmasters in some no, but it's okay now because it's government of the people by the people in the nipa and asset team for ne pen no say yama and that is what this government is doing. But my problem they say the government got it wrong by maintaining the same amount of figure because how I turn money is now different. And your buffer stock never turn money bill. Okay. Name headmasters but headmasters never turn normal. Now normal no baba turn. Ebisa inti obviously ne bo no be wosoro a chance dey na wo turn dey be brave for a whole region. Yeah. So that is one of the issues I'm war. These students, as I say, 3 cities.
3 cities.
Indeed, what that means is that
we pay private caterer, no one hot meal, every day students.
Yes. So as I said, say, if you want to really have a balanced diet, okay, you just cannot use 3 cities for it. May employ Abino, so Abino should have a real look at it quickly because social Katana. And as a Ghana Education Service for Troy Crampa, it is just for a period of 2 weeks each. Yeah. And within a month, it has ended. What is going to happen after the 1 month? What is the government's plan? And I'm so much interested. I want to know government's plan after the 1 month. I don't think they want the 1 month, another 2 weeks in the best. And Sana, they will now try to think about what to do next. I am hoping and anticipating that after the 2 weeks, Sikano on Bepijamu. 2. I say chief of staff also at Chokrata be. And they come all heads of agencies and all heads of the government institutions. Kase omonfa omo embedan omo your friend say obia your far no from 7th of October. Sorry,
okay,
from
so
7th of
request
December.
for information on payroll.
Yes.
In line with ongoing efforts to ensure the accuracy and integrity of government payroll records under the Jomamba administration.
Yes.
I am writing to request your assistance in providing information on the staff who have been added to your institution payroll since Saturday, 7 December 2024. You are kindly requested to submit the following details of each staff member added within the specified period. A. Full name, designation or job title, employee identification number, if applicable, date of appointment, date added to the payroll. This information is critical to maintaining transparency and accountability in our payroll management process. Kindly ensure that the requested data is submitted to my office no later than Friday, 31st January 2025. Should you require further clarification or have any questions regarding this directive, please do not hesitate to contact.
Senior lawyer ni. In the same class. Yeah. Minim she crampo no. Minim chapter 8 of our constitution is very clear as to the duration of a presidential term and as a government. You're talking about for purposes of an election where the person will have to have 4-year term. Yeah. Not 4 years minus 1 month. Not 4 years minus 1 month. And yet 4 years minus Bosome Bako. You're talking about for 4 years. Well, lawyers Becca say the rights have not accrued yet. They say, "Oh, you are doing what they call court crown power." They say, because the defense lawyer and I say agent Bible culture say the rights of the persons in the court have not accrued yet. And it is all say, "Oh, we may who say, adia a year NDC are buying ebe some year some best secure be a fan and I say will be a then I be adding onto the payroll from 7th December biano into court in fact tabon to almost. That's what the court is going to tell you, that the rights of those people have not accrued because we need the chief of staff for the information here. But it is clear that what the chief of staff wants to do, and it will be a fan the payroll after 7th of December biano you be UAD.
Oh how?
Oh yes, that's what I'm saying.
Oh damn.
And I make a say the court is here. Court bebua, may the court is here.
But so
yes, that is what the court is going to tell me. Yes. But that is what is going to happen.
But because they say abanya wabase will be creating numa amane manfo. Aban ba ya fa nkrofo adwuma. So se bia nanka unemployment rate no and be about 14 so kufa let me fa be say even 200 kra na ati so be about 1%.
Yes.
Eka ha ba no ekom kakra ma delay with the rest no. No wasa be pam we nyina no wasa be ya adeso asa de ama no.
Also be pam o no de nkrofo be hihim.
Jamama.
So because what the court today be catch court be catch us asma o kan nyina so way.
Yeah.
But we are in this country, it's going to happen. We are not so serious. It's going to happen. That is their intent. Because we kratana or say people who were added to the payroll after 7th of December.
Yeah.
But I go show Manteaw ni bu how appointment letters are. It be send them. Some of them, the appointment letters no dates as back as October. What you say?
Yeah.
It be they are better to Facebook, other social media. Some of them their appointment letters dates as far back as October. And the will be October or go through processes. When you say a full be crash or a train, it takes you about 2 or 3 months and send a pay back.
Yeah.
And me appointment from, let's say, Ghana Education Service. Appointment letter the 7th October and I say July. You need to America. Payroll near the metoso no. It be December and I say January near the atoso because sometimes it takes months. Now we will back pay this no. Because I was added after 7th of December. Because it is after elections in Tino. But please, chapter 8 tells you, and senior lawyer tells you that the period of a presidential term is 4 years. Until 7th of January, Nabano, you can do anything that you want as a president of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah, unfortunately, that is what is happening.
Julius, the bracket and the buy no, or the abba at the backstop say, ye the babe pamomua, ye don't to payroll so after 7th December.
Who so Momakacho said no cray? Senior now, how Bakacho said no cray. And I say, Bia, or more rights or some yes, sir. Because they be NDC for MPP for ye maybe a tremu MPP for ye. He might even quote certain things to you. I just say MPP 2016 by BSA. But I'm suggesting to you, yeah, Tia I'm running for. You saw your man for 4 years, not 4 years minus 1 month. 7th of December, no creator by we are. Still now, I buy no ho. May you talk by we as a deputy minister of local government. That's so office. Me jai office call only after 7th of January. That is when I know that per the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, and they say my term cool terminus of that of the President of the Republic of Ghana. I was a day, but you cannot tell me that on the 3rd of January I cannot go to work. You cannot tell the President of the Republic that after 3rd of January he cannot do anything. He still has the mandate of the people to lead as the President of the Republic of Ghana. He still has the mandate of the people to lead the ministers and so on, to give directives. So, unfortunately, way, even at the transition level, I say some of the NDC side of the transition team, it resilience up. Yeah. So you just cannot use say payroll. You do more a day, and I say I do more after 7th of December, and for that matter, you are going to take them out. Of course, if it happens, I'm going to be one of the people who will take this matter to court to make sure we will protect the rights of these people. They are Ghanaians first and foremost.
Onamu ni amasa na mwale enye nokre nebwa
me fa kwenye so na me chia Ghana fo a omote mo television chi a mo hwe bedwam ye nyina ye Ghana fo ye bibia be Ghana be koso ene minia Vincent e ka che be say you need right say you be ask for data chief of staff or obusa for data information keke no open.
I didn't say that.
Or catch say by inference. Say we don't have a right. We don't have a right to take data to know say be who on after election no ye do abeka payroll. Okay. This is a harmless request. Or so I can say or see obeyin word. Not the NDC for abeshe more. Minu ahwe letter na otro no a wo kan say e wo mu say obeyin wadi not the end is what show man na enye no kure minu na MPP for misinformation bi no ye nya nim say president wa copy 7th even 7 January kapona no paragraph no na president na we channel last be ka say Burkina Faso president no buy no en kan say na na accord no kuro akopa no choa now, Casilla, I was that 7th General Norbano, that can stop him because he was still the president until President Mama was sworn in. And yes, MPP was still the president. Now, only when you visit MPP for and visit couple or Kasama MPP for only who are born. Who are born, they say, you're a senior minister of Safu Mafo. 2017. Extra letter tin extra nti a ese yi nkrofo bia di
na Nana winning na then why should we allow them to come employ people? Oh, ni nyina say eh budget. Nti I want to be employed because let's can new on with your car. So that is going to offload it onto the new government. Now, say chief of staff pesa sika we say. Some information we say. No they will be say, I say copy sika. Near the budget one and say no. Yes, we are managing a country. So and then before I catch and say we don't have a right to ask for data.
You can say. But say one of them say no busa near say. On case when you said right in your own. Yeah. But they perceive say.
Why do you have to perceive for a harmless letter like this?
But on
harmless letter.
Maybe I'm saying chairman for Asoka cry say. The chief of staff request no. Solely say they want to find integrity of our payroll
and accountability after
now,
7.
The payroll no does not only consist of more you employ more after 7 December. It's obia or was to be even before 7 December. So if the government want to know the integrity of the payroll, is he saying it's okay with those who have been employed before 7 December? No. And it's only
we just want to know the data
on
the number of
not those who are employed. Those who are
just,
employed and those who are on the payroll are different. Two different things.
We just want to know those who are on the payroll before December 7 and those who are now on the payroll after December 7.
Are you okay with no before December 7th?
That is what I'm talking about. Okay. And then I make one some cry. Yeah, but see you. Nipa ni etwa onka ansa na yetu aba. Okay. Yetu aba we so nipa yetu onka. This information.
Omo meka ho no.
E dey meka ho. Na we should have omo metiko etuko pomusa. We so yasem. So me as the president of the Republic of Ghana, the supreme president of the Republic of Ghana, I don't have a right to request for information. When I happy before we shall yo. O me nyina man. Mo ka asi da mo years some time ago no. What I'm telling and neighbor be we say look, you can go to court. But when we say the in law and yet law by law when you are employed into the government service you go under probation. So you be share on probation no. Say o fata say you trust mawa.
Okay, that's the evaluation.
That's the
end. After probation.
Probation no. You are going through probation for 1 year. So one here automatically you are permanent staff.
Okay.
Why is that the word probation? Why do you undergo probation?
Okay.
Eh, do certificate by enya the papa. Eh, be na yare bi wo ho enya the papa. Eh, be na onia hode a be adwuma no. Okay. Eh, bi so ba adwuma no ummu ade, ye nema bi. Eh, be want to be so anopa nkodu adwuma mu 8. Eh, be more 5 no upon. That probation no, you go undergo it. So for a year, that's animal is nyina. Ya sure let us say probation no. Ya twa say.
Government there 1 year.
1 year.
Sometimes 6 months. Maybe 6 months.
Maybe 6 months.
Probation in government service is 1 year.
Okay.
But mama share letter no.
Government.
Okay. Just to help the conversation, share letter no. We share first paragraph now. Just to assist you, for you to know, say it is not anything about what is before. The government is not interested in before.
It's only after.
Yes, because we heard in the first paragraph say, I am writing to request your assistance in providing information on staff who have been added to your institution's payroll since Saturday, 7 December 2024. The government is simply not interested in anything before 7
because
December.
We have the one before that.
More than that.
Why don't we
and
know?
You are satisfied.
I'm not saying we are satisfied. I say we have. Now we are asking for information to know those who have been added. I'm not talking about your letter, your bag, a bag date to 10 October. That's the first we see. I'm not interested. I just want to know the number of that has been added. It will so. William Vincent, he's very good in interpretation. Or a very good interpretation. Don't just say the first paragraph of Kai or not to be interpreted in any way say by basis. But not I'm fat interpretation. I'm fat. What do you say? All we are asking for is that how many people have been added. Ni enkope sika ibetu ya onka. Ni yenhwe omo monitoring say almost say e fata say so mutumi eduma na obi wo the fake certificate buy.
Okay. But seniors also say before say for the education of our people before say abema employment letter no. there should have been a financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance. Yes. So that's not true.
That indicates that Aban was committed.
Yes. So because there has been a financial clearance.
Politics.
No, because there has been a financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance.
President Kufuor
they are able to pay
salaries, single spine.
Yeah.
When there was no money, and but I was number of them.
They approved by the implementation.
Approve it.
The policy was approved, but the implementation.
And I'm just 7th December 6 don't sign
I saw sign policy.
Oh, on sign 6. Never I come with the business card. So what would you want? Akugum. Now you need a business card. I see who the number of people. It's a pussy card back about Coco for one. I say, now I see for one. So woman, the good to be the family we see. So this a matter of information. All I employ on so.
Okay.
Near show say, oh, certificated by a certificate papa na. Near show with master about my 8 o'clock.
See the one of micromanaging.
Near Yasha said, Debbie, and one chief of staff.
So
I guess Debbie, you have information now. We write to other sector meetings to do all the monitoring already. Again, we are not
already doing that.
We are not civil servants.
These things are already done. A day-to-day activity that is already done by the institutions.
We are not civil servants. We, as a government, we have the staff that are there to give us the information to act.
You know, so we're experiencing it. This should not be going
you know,
this should not
everybody
be going on. We should be able to cancel some of these things. Or at the point we should be able to stop it.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
When I was a minister, now I be a more minister of agriculture. Do you know information I got? On your graduate. Do you know what happened? Now, obey service hormone.
Okay.
Now, our referral, maybe because we are going to carry over.
Okay.
I say, so class had the receipt. One coil. I know Timon to our service hormone. Yeah, Jimmy, a job in FM. A children with you say, on your see, on your graduate. Oh, and to professional, any ideas I say 2 years, any money.
But one of them was any answer. One say, letter chief of staff Eka Wasem does not dwell on probation.
I am telling you.
Okay, now my information.
Make probation.
Okay.
Some say. We want to know the people.
Okay.
What am I channel? Near say. As so sika wo baby to the chon kan na ya de anu aka. Wow. And she says sika wo fine.
Because the first quarter budget now, the former finance minister here.
Clarence, former finance minister is a politician. He's a politician. Even if there is no money, he will give the client because he has not selection.
No,
he will give the client.
No,
he is a politician like all of us.
You should be able to secure funding. The source of the funding.
So we are looking at it to make sure that we get money to pay them.
Okay.
We are looking at it.
Yeah, but there's a source of funding that's been approved before, say, more appointment letters.
When I catch you.
So we got based on the experience.
That
is the regularity.
Or a politician.
So to omit me a transfer.
And trouble Munida. Oh, senior. But my more examples be. Now the guys will you sign a letter for them. We'll see what we can do. They can sign. He's a politician going.
There's no basis for what you're saying.
So there is so much basis. We can't catch up. And to assign it who say you better please get the chonka. Send a baby chonka.
Can there be any assurance that this exercise no MOB losing a juma?
Oh, why are you so pessimistic and so?
No, also the question is MOB.
Why are you so
qualified?
No,
the question assembly buy no, let the buy no. A critique and come over bebre
Menia say let the number. Yajo.
Okay.
One am chero. Problem be no. You be see who nipa yaji won.
Okay.
When you accept. So should he ask? When you accept?
But this information was given to you at the transition team.
And so what? The way I accept.
Look, can you tell me it was given to you?
Menia Echo, we are lawyer. Why don't you take it to court?
Letter now. The local government service CEO was part of the transition team. Constant. That water was constant. All this information
just take it to court. If you think that letter is illegal, just take it to court and
hold that. Lawyer, because they will tell you that your rights have not accrued.
Whose rights are not accrued?
Tio say, me man who let away from na me de kosa de na me de aba court say oh court ade a susu say ade ombeso mo yenie
say susu ne nyam
so my rights have not accrued
susu
Yes.
With all due respect.
This is your body.
This is your body, no. And I would first send the Yesusu. Yeah, Yesusu body.
So there was just no problem.
Yeah, Yesusu body.
So time will tell. That's okay. Time will tell.
Time told what Osafumafu did. When they sack. If you are not sacked, then why are you afraid?
Osafumafu then was in respect of appointment letters that was issued after 7. Not payroll.
Where they sack.
Appointment letters that were intentionally issued after 7.
When you are given
not appointment letters issued before.
No, not appointment after 7. After 7 December.
Yes.
Once appointment letter is given, your name is added to the payroll. Once appointment letter is given, your name is added, unless you say it was a fake appointment. Once your appointment letter is issued, your name is added to the payroll. So if our government, a transparent government like NDC, we are asking to know, and also say, hey, MPP for Mr. Moan. We need our peace. Don't preempt, think for us. Don't think bad for us.
No, when you're saying that, you come back here after a month or two and you see say asma make it.
I see that. Or someone for letter no, ekusi bone.
But who say
ekusi bone.
They make so much reference to
somebody was sacked because he couldn't serve his probation. The government saw that he's not qualified to do the probation. That was 2017. That person,
sure,
had been given appointment letter after our January 7. The same person to the same post. We are we trying probation. We are juma. So Saba be juma bone. Oh, by no be pamome. And I'm got fee.
Okay.
Say, Miss Meba, na say me obey juma bone. He was sacked and he was made unemployed. So if today we employ him, no, bone. Oh, we a phone star.
But we don't want to believe.
We don't believe in tit for tat. What I'm saying, but when you push them into the payroll system, is there money to pay?
It's just getting what they also are buying. If
there's no money, why should you put that burden on you? Either you look for money, if you are taxation, I say whatever that you do to make sure that you get money to pay them. But if you do everything and you're not getting money to pay them, no.
You take them off.
You can't take all of them off. You look at those very competent ones now. Almost 7 probation, you put them there. Those that have not been able to sell their probation well, you take them off.
So after that, would that mean say Abambesa you another employment now?
What maybe they will be given the first priority if they want to employ.
Hey, normally you're such a bias idea.
Why not? Why you so diabolical?
Okay.
No,
let me
why
trust
don't
you. So about that. Let me trust you. Let me trust you on that.
You believe what you did. You think we are going to do? When we are.
You didn't do that. I'm just trusting your words.
You are jimpa.
Say Kobasa you am free mu. Na say Kobasa abanye sika no so fa go for you.
They will give it
so am no mra. You want me can go
through. But you give it a priority.
No, but worry you.
And come on, best somebody after 1 month you
worry. And come on, yes. Minya, the only thing I say chief I should for the chief for who say. Say chief of staff ebusa for that data and your bonnet.
Okay. Nyane bonnet so no be.
And nyane bonnet so. And before na fan body because obo mfu say nyamu ye no mka say baby. But ye nye sam yeti. E be face can dey twa onka.
But it means so assure mo say send e before be susu no.
President Mama assured the police service before the elections to say you will not be sacked, and I'm telling you they will not be sacked. Those in the police training schools, no?
Yeah.
We assure them, and I'm telling them they will not be sacked.
Okay. We okay about GS directive say?
Well, GS directives, no. When you are increases can well, about increases can from time to time. Prisoners. Who's a prison suit and I go the same?
Yeah.
Sikan kete man. That am ya parliament say how can you give sales? Don't use that money, the bulk purchases. Every kotutu in somewhere wo fie a kotu kusia ba kutu. Musi 2 cities me fee on you told the 3 cities. Kotu kusia ba kutu 3 cities. Now they are compare 7 cities 50 pesos because a bulk purchase. Who told be price here there eba form.
Yeah. But irrespective of how bulk it is, you cannot get it less than 2 cities.
You can get.
You can't. You can't.
Okay, so but I have a message here. The parents was me and Fanny didn't to you. Say good morning, question. Tell Honorable Niamasa Namwale he is not answering to your question. I can tell you for a fact. I'm one of those who had their appointment letter under President Kufuor before leaving office. The rumor in our office now is we should get prepared to go home.
Do you publish rumor?
Do you
publish rumor? Why are you so apprehensive?
It is just time. That's
Minia, why are you so apprehensive? Why? Muko, when the job vacancy was announced, one call interview, one try exams. Did you write exams? If you didn't write exams, then you should have that negative mind. We don't publish rumor. I don't dwell on rumor. I don't dwell on rumor. I speak with facts. And don't worry about it. Mama
Microphone share modo senior. Microphone young boys and young girls. Mama microphone share modo. I mean, this is not the country that we should build it. It has happened. The fear, the panic is too much.
When it happened in 2016, there was no fear and panic.
Obey Krama downful. So, obey the in and law school. What you say, sebi. I open and I know they come with the bottles, Baba. And come with the bottles, Baba. Never but of course, she also has friends. So, the pressure and the panic in the system is bad.
We have to look for money and pay them. We are not as vindictive as the MPP. We are not as vindictive as the MPP.
Maybe I want 1 year, but you see, I know maybe I don't know.
Now, Mr. MPP and this phone in Akuta. Mr. Kutam and this phone in Akuta. I'm telling you, we are not as vindictive as MPP. The only thing is, if there is money, why not? They will stay. So don't, my brother, don't dwell on rumor. Why? Don't dwell on rumor. And if you see, can compare cyber security for and come pay phone so and who did that and the apple. And before they come by, yes, sir, we believe in freedom. And we can't.
But also, me sure more.
Why there's some
fear and panic.
Unless I would fear in the appointment at the Bemau.
I know your best.
And I am sure. But so I'll go through the process
there. I'm going to mean you.
Oh,
why is it you are still serving your probation?
If you are serving your probation, why? What am I channel? Until we are Debia. Mamma Musro. The make say, a general.
Yeah.
Headmasters who say, if you ask them, they are bad notes.
Yeah.
And it's the responsibility of government and the police and the investigative bodies of our country to monitor the schools, the headmasters. Who say, I catch secondary schools there, really toast because go baby no. Yeah. It took an ordinary citizen and then put it what's happening when I bet me Badwam. It's vigilance. All I'm saying, say the decentralized feed, you know. I believe say because headmasters, you know. So okoto in tosa. Who say in toast, you know. Ye okoto a full na. Maybe chapo. Oh, and I say. Omo and the school from Kako Diano. And then you Jenna Akaujala, and then you Kako Sheja.
Okay.
Near the Kako Shejano, and they did any boarding. But the answer, and won't go the next 2-3 days, no. I'm Shana Akoy Sunquano. What told me, then you go and use it to feed the students. And I believe, because they are secondary school, now your headmasters and then they feed here. Domestic business no more there, feed here. And I believe, say, Yamonsa Akunyano. They should not. 90% of them will not abuse it. But so far as a Krobia, please warn no. Now say oh the paboni for. Wow. Hedia you the paboni phobia. Or yeah we say. It's definitely no. Some bad not to be inside, but it holds on the students and the community. And then remove Ghana say no. Students look up for power to even question their headmasters. When you did to me no. It's a good thing. And the president mama said there, now the headmasters can talk. To me kasa. So education there corner and kuya to me kasa. Because it is your criticism.
Say Obi a teacher there's a channel of communication. So you don't just wake up and talk because selfish and maybe because we school more and papa. And this has been with that since time in Memorial. So
that was the time of ignorance, which God winked at. Act 1731. A time of ignorance. If things are going on bad, no guys, channel of communication, now I'm not for the debony. Mini a jai. And yet, say, Saro, idea, nya, can't. Why reporter, and you feel, Mammy Chow.
But even ministers,
when I was in second, when I was in primary school,
even ministers, sign oath of secrecy.
Oh, your oath of office and oath of secrecy. We are your secret.
And also an employee of the Ghana Education
And so
the Ghana Education Service.
And yeah, correspondence said the amount now they who come as him. So what you call say we say Nancy can no farm man that you have the right to say lies that say.
So who determines
your secondary school your primary school.
Yeah.
Now see education officer biva. Oh na yeah teacher for no o ma chise pepe na we say na o mo musuko atade atete no yes o confie ya be confie
but
na twa mo say your WhatsApp
okay
your social media
yakomula abaiba ya beto akoma so ya ba bujira akwa bi efabra bedwam eso so happy birthday happy birthday kuba Naomi Efia Oduma Akwa, registrar at Sefi Anyaso Traditional Council, but Oti Bibiani behind a WAPCO filling station. We free Brajo onum. Also wish you all the best. Nyame enshira na onyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa. So happy birthday to you. We see God bless you Akwasinsia for having a nation at heart. Akwasi, can you imagine the Sum funeral clash that resulted in damage of one? Oh, okay, that's it. Some message. Enemo ebim. Eti Vincent, yemfenwie.
Oh,
afenyo market si wo tu.
Command edi na me famba ha. No dey command edi ya me famba.
There.
I me famba. But the only thing I can make I want to say also Katie Hammond. Time na amaboy interview me also wo be kobo sem jam. I will end it there.
Eti afenyo so tu President Mama for say ompa Ghana fortune na ministers on faming na 60 there.
Well, me in fact I was number of parliament. Me afenyo market line of argument, you know. Me were different opinion. Because me who say even John Dramani Mahama has space. Or quite say even though what promise 60 there, now 60 you can be less than that. Yes, we the executive instrument now we issue, you know.
Okay.
What's your executive instrument now we issue na create 23 ministries.
Yeah.
Into ministries we to say aquaculture and fisheries. What does it? And you have one ministry.
Yeah.
And also food and agriculture. In my estimation, with my Kasa ministries, you know, boom. So, senior why?
Yeah.
Deputy Minister order.
Yeah.
Into food and agriculture, fisheries and aquaculture, you can do that. Into unya minister, no one deputy no can be in charge of fisheries and aquaculture. What does it?
Now,
so there's even an opportunity to do less than 60.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes, that's my proof by Kwacho. Senior is also agreeing with me. No problem, but I'm just saying that there's an opportunity. You see, a human no be brain now.
Even in Korea,
civil servant,
forestry, fisheries, agriculture, and aquaculture
all together.
Together. Forest near Greek na fisheries near boom.
Yes. Which is possible. Who we are? No, as I share. BB to say. Ministry for Environment.
Yeah.
I don't know for green transition. And climate change fan count. Climate change and sustainability. Ni na betimi any green transition betimi abako. Oh, Minister for Technology. Also, Minister for Digital Technology.
That's under communication.
Yes. Ni different ministries. So check the EI, the executive instrument or Ministry of Communication, Digital Technology, and Innovation. And our Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology.
Yeah.
Sure. So, two ministries for technology and technology itself. And I said digital technology and a technology. And the Beyonce so Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. I can see a crampa. Committing the youth now at the account so that you have one minister and one deputy. I think it was even NDC buying. Anna Omunya, a deputy minister for gender, no Ebema.
Yeah.
Right?
The moment time.
Yeah, time.
We no. MP no. Jimmy Dankwa.
No, there's another one. There's another one this time. Yes, Alexander Akom was here. No, yeah, deputy
was minister for gender.
Deputy minister for
gender.
Okay. Right. But we make Alexander Akom was Akwano. So what that means is that you could have had the Ministry for Gender, Youth and Social Protection. What you say? There is a space, a room for John Dramani Mahama to have even done less than 60 ministries. The fact that promises 60 ministers doesn't mean that you should do 60 ministers. You said you will not do more than 60 ministries.
Yeah. 60 ministers.
60 ministers. And so in my anticipation, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, so per se, indeed, or cut it down cost past your person or Chenua, he can even do less than 60 ministries. But unfortunately for us, who's I say 60 ministers no kind and you know. Chinchina person is still no parliament minia. Enra. Na minia a bugin apostle could be raising an issue of quorum. Okay. Time my appointment committee your third report in the buy and no say they approve it. It was the paper was presented and of course you hear about 48 hours and Sunday to me debate and I say the motion woman notice of motion what me debate motion you debate motion now share numbers are good NDC for the side now and no even 60. Meanwhile there are about 188 almost 190 ministers. Then we are going to call for a quorum see to me and go ahead to do the approval. NDC for boys in the parliament or mobile with the bill. The high hopes soon. So be a Babylon minister. Backbenchers no. There's what the hell who's the first time I have body or a minister.
Now if for come 4 times cry.
But look at NPP time. If grooming for and the backbenchers in their drink, no more here be a parliament grandpa, you will not be able to get them. Oh, show more cafe side honma. Oh, be a jar. Cassa just or be a no demon just say. Cassa just say they are disappointed. What you say? Because John Dramani Mahama has promised 60 ministers. When you know that, I didn't know one Cassa who's a warrior.
Okay, so maybe
senior, let's look at.
So when Susu say, and this with me at this majority in parliament.
Well,
it may be your calculations. Okay, in fact, it says 2020 crowd or 137, 137 plus or minus. My make base 150, 160.
Right.
In 2024.
Right.
Maybe I can manage maybe 44 from parliament. My next pressure for me to manage. But this time about 183 MPs to his chest.
And the constitution so actually also choose to be the free. In think of no more year Juma or business professor Yalabi. A pay up press and I'm pay Anya Crabble as education minister. And he Sulia. And then most of the NDC for not done motivational speakers on Facebook. We go to be say when you write 5K men, 3K women, those investors taking their friends positions, you know, it's almost so much. For them confirm with Jack. At the end, and is how Minia Namwale draw brain this time I started politics 2013-14. I started national politics from school. Maybe realm. By Naminia Namwale while defending that time in TV. We're defending this is my party by senior after now. Maybe Pamon Peshe Farmer. Ade John Dramani Mahama. Why? Because you've gone to promise a 60. I didn't know him say then also for now when you are the only Madame Lodina. When you are there, you say no president and the first lady. What do you say? Person me jenfi kura bro bre one more man dey nkrampo he. Sami jenfi nka dey also nyani. Sami jenfi should be a full minister. Oh, Juma what did you man DC? MPP for why je wo mo kroma. Should be the said Joyce Bawa Moktare.
Yeah. We a special advisor to the president.
We Brena and this woman done motivational speakers of Facebook near social media. Because they made people believe say at the end is simple. John Dramani Mahama or started LGBTQ or Kojina Kumase. No say asofo me dey man me kwan am sign it. Na asofo ni na story standing ovation bomb sem wa. Fe Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference ko shia no. Akasa na fe dey diplomacy. After once we di man panyini. Se ade no crampo no, se kire wo school a ka legalize crampo anke hu hia. Uche wo school a you don't even need to legalize it. After the kasa na sesa. After the obetray say oh, emra na ye no 8 parliament crampo no. So emra na dey. Ene bill na dey expire. After the John Dramani Mahama so your lawyer ni wo church say the ade na tie. Kasa na dey sesa. Senior Say,
I'm not saying say one parliament did not bind another parliament.
Senior, Emra be ne wo cheme. Emra be cheme.
Oh, so
we me lawyers.
Anyway, can me University of London.
Okay. You see, yeah, lawyer cheme constitution.
Parliament cannot bind another parliament.
Oh, senior.
Say oya Emra bi. Utmi nyamra obeka
sa. Busa on what basis? So lawyer, busa on what basis?
Utmi nyamra bi. Okay. En kase samra wa mayi. Mo bia fa ne sanka bio. Another parliament be obeka samra me mpe obi ya to atwene. That's the meaning of one partner cannot buy another parliament. Samra no so no. Okay. Whether it was I spy, natural fact I spy.
Senior, what basis now can?
It's a bill by the 8th parliament. So the next parliament,
a bill that has gone through the first reading, second reading, third reading, consideration, third reading. Parliament
illegally did not sign, and it has expired.
The then president.
What basis?
Illegally.
What's the basis?
And now Mama table so.
No. What's the basis? What's the expired? What's the basis?
Akufo table so.
Jesus Christ.
President Mama Kwaka said. Not any president. But let me just say, Ona say.
Me ankasa no.
Okay.
Me nya president too. Yeah. But I saw some clause be a woman, minister clause no enye na minister clause they call Supreme Court be boegu.
Clause ben.
Oh, who say obaye adaso we say let's one report na. One am che no. Yeah. Say man kete no. Enu nche say on sign. O de we have come. If they share them, but me share them anyway. Say smooth, let's say smooth and mo masomra. We'll give you the answer. Whether we'll sign, but we know that we'll sign.
Okay.
Appointment.
What basis for such a kind of man from
I think markings.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, these are some of the politics of old. Muke kanima wo mo manifesto mo ba no mo ya to atwene. Kufo kan bi. Oba do ba apologize here. O run is abani so no ba apologize here na. Odi ministers chu by.
Yeah.
Akufo so kan bi. Oba no call up to 124 to 123 ministers. We will not do that. The NDC would like Ghanaians to believe them whenever we present our manifesto. Interdia ye bon do at the peg for mandate no. Yeah, but you change Nancy and about 10 air apologize to Ghanaians.
Okay.
We say 60 and it will be 60. Why do you want 60? It didn't pay 60 no. In order to bring down costs. So President Mama, Minister Stofenia, majority of them are from Parliament. And offer me say, as a minister, I'm going to be a waste. Not a waste, but extra cost.
Okay.
Because Meji salary
full
as a
salary,
minister.
Yeah.
So, but in the MP, Meji one salary. Oh. Appointing a non-MP,
yeah,
will not take a burden. Will add a burden. But appointing an MP, no, will save money for the president. In Tusha, Nipa will be in that so. So share appointment now president Mama Yana. You see, people should, apart from that, look at the people. It's the young face. Wow, we have a succession plan. Yeah, quite a MP from Omni Coca for 3 months. Young people no banner. Now it's too late. We, I said, you want, I was saying, a bedding. Now you're in paying for you got to change your boards. No, Nemanamano.
It needs a way botcher mano.
Mean cast as I make a
small case. I was a frost of a botcher. Look, me and the drama Hamas in my way. See, I support because you're brother.
Who can say Miss SBM minister? And if you me, my minister.
Yeah.
So why do I have to be a minister again? I don't have to be a minister again. My dibida. Wow. And we have to bring Nkolana ADH no. Eso so mo ba.
They say obey botcher man for VR and say for VR.
Oko da de koto pon constituency man. Omo nya nim say misi mu ma the youth no. Enye de emra omonim. Wow, enti this no your succession plan. And the face no in doing politics no. Enye say we politics obi a ba ko minister na obenya appointment.
Okay.
Some of you must be businessmen. Some of you must be businessmen. Now who call up and down for contracts now here juma na contract scan abeja na the big boy youth na work constituency no who get contract na wa from je see apapa na de koto pon no akọ youth no akọ de on akọpra no agisika no onye bia ma na nyina no the economy is moving. So we don't do politics for everybody to be a minister.
Okay.
Some are going to be CEOs, some are going to be board members.
But the expectation of MPs in the too much. Because the backbenchers are
well, sometimes
I'm telling you. Yes. It is from 1992 based in Obiano or Abidi.
Anyone there no credit is my concern. Said they have not gotten any
political appointment.
Political appointment.
Political appointment.
Yes. Second the enormous appointment. Omunye bi. Ho because say Joshua be around. Ho the whole central they made the same complaint. So just the appointed authority to look at this. Also, they made that complaint. Whether they have transmitted that complaint to the presidency or to the chief of staff, no, I don't know. But to me, no, they made that complaint because I'm in Professor Alabina and them. And now, who your policy? Not everybody is supposed to be.
President Mama wanted. Because Julius Debra money appointment from you. Boys, 5K men, 3K men, most of them are winning share. The
number of appointments are limited. Are limited. And your minister, no matter wherever that you go, it's limited. Wow.
About 6,000 appointments in all.
No, just say. And yet,
for Obia comes after the 7,000.
And yet, Obia post, you know, be the president.
Sure.
Ngofobia ye MPP the big akurando afrakuro omunya minister obedi there. Omunya try. They couldn't get it.
Yeah.
So where is not a big deal. It's a matter of President Mama appointing me. They say the young people now appoint to one.
But I say. Honorable Yamasana Mole, former MP for La Dadikotopong constituency in the Greater Accra region. Then Vincent Echo as a for MP for Otafo constituency. Me dey akwesi in Siamia Medwada e be said yes. Concentrate Adom TV.